Right. How do I take my YouTube live link? Right, I'm live. Give me one sec. Uh, wait, just paste the link. Twitch and YouTube both posted. Seconds. Just move the camera key down there. Right. Okie dokie. Oh, my bad. Mic was a little far away. Okie dokie. So everything is set up. Twitch live, YouTube live. All right. All right. So I haven't streamed in last, I think 6 days, 5, 6 days. I haven't updated anything on this. I did few changes off stream. Like I got the player model proper through Blender. I made a GLB with all the animations and everything. So now the animations work. Then what else did I do? I fixed the camera rotation of the mouse. Now we need to fix the lerp. I figured out what the problem with the lerp was. Hey man, I'm divisible. Second account. Oh, progress. All right, Dev. All right, Ahmed. Welcome. I'm not ready right now. Maybe 2 hours later. All right. Me too. 2 hours later. Day 3 after 7 days since the series started. Maths and mathing. It's day 4 today. Day 4. Wait, I didn't change? Wait, hold on. No. The day 4 of the development, right? I did change. It's today is day 4 of development. I mean, I didn't touch anything, right? I streamed. I work on this Rise when I stream. So it's like off stream, nothing much I do. But just fixed. Sometimes I get sleepless nights thinking about the code. What should I fix? Then that like no, give me that twitching feeling to fix it off stream. But yeah, but small things. Will you be here in 2 hours? Yes, of course. I'll be here in 2 hours. All right. So let's just begin with testing the game. So right now my character is looking where the mouse is. Last stream we were not able to fix that because there was something wrong because we had 3 cameras, a foreground camera, a background camera, and a main camera. So now it works. And another thing, my character has animations now and it walks very smoothly. And another thing was my character rotated 45 degrees, right? In the main scene. My character is rotated 45 degrees. There was a small error where my character was walking in a 45-degree offset. So I had to fix that with this code right just here. On that, I just had to minus a value of pi by 4. Pi by 4 is basically around like 45 degrees, I guess, some angle. So I just had to minus the rotation by pi by 4. I mean the target rotation by pi by 4, and the lerp angle worked. Like it was working perfectly. Now it looks exactly where the mouse is. This school is a real struggler developing games on Pentium. Oh, true. It's old. So there's one old laptop with Intel Pentium something. Has been streaming his development 2D game development. It seems. All right. So this is fixed. Now the main thing today, what we are going to fix is this thing. So I have made this new mesh with 2 fucking core. I know. He showed me a screenshot where his CPU, his RAM, his GPU, his everything is like 100% usage, and he was streaming on that. Crazy. All right. So today the whole goal is to make this thing invisible while we go behind the camera, right? So I have already have a ray. Wait, I need to make a ray, right? So I will make a ray, and instead of making code on me, I'll make the code on the object. I'll have to copy paste that code everywhere, basically. So I'll copy paste. I'll make a global function, then call that function if that object requires fading in and out, right? So what I need to do is, wait, 3D. So what I need to do is on the mesh, on the material of the mesh, there's something called distance fade. I just need to change that to object dither. Now, if I play, see, I want this effect, but it should not go invisible completely. I got an idea. Yeah. So what I want to do is the raycast should affect this property on the material to turn it on and off. That's it. So if my raycast is going away, then it should turn off turn on and off automatically. Not proximity fade, sorry, distance fade. It disable and object dither, it should switch between those. That's what my idea is. That would give me the effect which I want as well, like smooth, say smooth fading. Less the ray. What do you mean less the ray? There is no ray right now. Make it shorter. No, I don't have a ray right now. I want the ray from the camera to the player, right? That is a fixed ray. Then this code, the code to make this thing visible or invisible will be on the object, on the object's code, not on me or not on the camera or not on anywhere else. It will be on the object's code. So this thing, distance fade right here, should flip between object dither and disabled when I am passing through the object. That's what I want to do. So also I want it, like once the raycast is gone, it should not stay in object dither. It should come back. So I need to make an array for it. I swear if this is my laptop, my project, I could make it more easier. But it's my project. This is a PC. I have a PC. I'll show you. Wait. No, wait. Oh shit, camera disconnected. My bad. What happened? Camera got disconnected. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, there we go. Trying to communicate to a person takes away 50% of your communication level. Yeah, kind of. But the thing is, I want to figure this out myself, right? So let's figure this out. Bro, you just need to need an Intel Gen processor. An upgrade from the Pentium would be life changing. Yes. Yeah, needs an upgrade for dev. Okay, one more thing. So I found a YouTube video, but there is no tutorial or anything. I'll show you guys real quickly. But there is no tutorial. So this is exactly what effect I want, okay? So where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Okay, this is what I want. This is someone else's devlog video. And this is, can you see it? I guess you can see it. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. So the character walks to the side and the thing fades and it comes back from the other side. The thing comes back to visibility. You see, this is the thing I need, but there is no tutorial on this. It's just a devlog. It's just a progress update something. Change the minimum distance and maximum distance in distance fade. Oh, that I can do that as well. That also works. Even if 4th gen would be day and night. Yep. Now it's 14th gen, 15th gen. You can keep it as it is. Wait, I don't have to disable and enable it. Hold on. I don't have to disable and enable it. I just have to play with the minimum distance and maximum distance, right? So what if I just crank it to 0 and 0? So now it won't be invisible, I guess. Oh yeah, now it won't. It's basically like having no dither, right? Right. So now if I have 0 and 0, it doesn't go away. Okay, okay. It doesn't hide. It doesn't hide. Or you can just hide it completely. No. So now 0 and 0 means it is not going to hide. I just have to figure out the minimum distance and the maximum distance and change it with code to affect the raycast. To like if there is no raycast, both minimum distance and maximum distance. If there is no collision, that means minimum distance and maximum distance will be 0. And if there is collision, it will be 38 and 35. Max 12 meters, minimum 2. Why? Why minimum 2 and maximum 12? That's probably not my settings. That will be different. See, it is not fading away. It has to go even more further, then only it'll start fading away. See, it doesn't work. I did the settings. My settings is this. Oh shit, what happened? My setting is 35 and 38. My setting is 35 and 38. So if I go like just behind it, it starts fading. So maybe 37 on this one, max fade 37 meters. Uh 35 32 here. No, 35 is too far away. So 38 over here, 39 maybe, and 35 over here. Not even 39. Maybe 42. Maybe 40. 40 will be fine. Okay. 40. See, just appears and disappears. Max 40. No, max it can go up to 4,996. And minimum distance can go up to 4,096. Right now, this is the camera distance I have. So this, I only have to do this. I only need to get this activated. As soon as I exit, right? As soon as I exit the obstruction, the collision, it should go back to 0, 0. I was saying to make it 40. Oh yeah, okay. 40 is good. 40 is good. But now this is 40. I can barely see the character here. I want to make it a little bit more, I guess. 42. Yeah, 42 seems good. But here, then the object distance is taking from here, not here. You see, I think Ray is the only hope. Yeah, it only work with Ray. It only work with Ray. Otherwise, it will not work. What about the minimum? See, the minimum distance, right? Minimum distance. Let's put it at 40. What will happen? Okay. No. So let's put it at 30, 32. No. Let's put it at 40. Mm-mm. 35, 35 is the sweet spot. This is the minimum distance, right? And this is the maximum. No. This is the max distance, and this is the minimum distance. Minimum 28. I mean, it takes a lot of time for that thing to fade in and out. I can see my character till here. I wonder how this person did it. Like, the video I just showed you. I wonder how that person. I think they used raycast, because it only disappears and appears when the character is going behind it. He just hide it, not fade. No, 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 no. That was object dither, not hide. No, no, no. It was this object dither option. It says in the video title itself. It says isometric 3D see through with distance fading, object dither, which is distance fading, object dither. Okay, we gonna fix this today. All right, let's make a raycast first from the cam to the player, right? So that raycast should be in the character itself. And one more thing I'm to do, since we are going to do this, we don't need the foreground and background camera, since we are not going to do the scene thing anymore, right? So this entire section can be deleted. This entire thing can be deleted completely. We only need one main camera, which will be on the which will automatically switch position when we start the game. Okay, we're gonna delete all these cameras. We don't need this anymore. Hey, back to accounts. So if we're being like, no worries, no worries. So we're gonna remove all these things. We don't need this anymore since we are not working on the visual masking. So we're gonna just remove it. Who is progress? You, right? Are you are you kidding? The new follower, bruh. That's not me. Come on, just stop kidding. Okay, so we're gonna just remove all this shit. I don't think we need this. Delete related animation tracks. I don't need it. I don't have any animation tracks on this. Okay, we have one single camera now, which when we play should be. No, we need to remove some code. So FG camera resize is not required anymore. Okay, function resize is not required. We're just gonna pass this ready function. I don't have another account. I'm joking. Not joking for real. Whatever. What's the task? Really? Dev? Okay, fine. I'll have to ban progress for impersonating someone else. What's the task? Oh. Got me. Impersonation not allowed in my chat. I'm gonna ban you now. Bye bye. All right, never mind. I'm just kidding. All right, so we don't need this BG camera global transform. Wait, hold on. We're gonna remove some few things. We don't have this anymore. Go away. We don't have this anymore. Where is this code on the camera rig? Okay, don't have this code anymore. Visual camera target. We don't have this anymore. Okay, we don't have this anymore. Okay, then we don't need this anymore. That's it. So main camera global transform equal to camera target global transform. That's it. So this should run, and we are back to one single cam. I was just joking. I wasn't saying. Sorry. All right. I don't like these kind of jokes. No problem. Now I'm also confused. I'm completely confused right now. Who's who? Okay, let it be. So the task at hand right now is we removed all that bullshit camera functions where we changed, like had like front BG camera, back BG camera, and all those things because we don't need that anymore. Why? Because also we don't need this camera rig anymore. We can just put this main camera onto the camera target and just remove all this code. Now let's see. It doesn't work. Okay. What if I just detach script? It doesn't work. Okay, I broke something, but let's undo everything. Attach script. Shit. undo. Okay, there we go. We fixed it. We did undo. Let it stay as it is. Let it stay as it is. Agam Gamer, hi, how are you doing today? I'm doing good. Decent day. No, it wasn't. There was no internet in the morning, so it was like, shit. I'm the real one. Okay, noted. Hey, I'm Rise by second account. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Later you will get caught again and you'll be like, I'm Agam Gamer second account. No. Progress? If you're gonna do this, I'll have to ban you. Alright. Twitch is empty. Alright. So we removed all the unnecessary cameras. We don't need those anymore. Next thing is making a raycast. So we already made a raycast. Now where is that raycast going? The raycast is going from the camera target to the player. Is the camera that far away? Oh, it is, yeah. So we need to make it size, increase the size to touch, like maybe this much. Not touching, but just close. I call it cap. Stop cap. Alright, so the raycast is directly pointing to the player. Okay. Now we have the raycast. I'm going to save that. Now, do we need to make the code on the character body for the collision or on the camera rig? No, wait. So if I make the code here, how will I access this variables on another scene? That is not gonna work, right? So what if I raycast on the object itself instead of raycasting from the player? and make a global variable for the player, then I can access it in any scene I want, any code I want. I do have a player global which is made. Player self, the manager, player equal to player node. Hold up. Not cool. I've timed him out. Your cam lagged? No. My cam didn't lag. I timed products, timed out products, progress 30 minutes. Do I tell you something? What did you tell me? Not sure. Okay, let's get back into business. Business. Oh, this is my second account. Why the heck are you doing this? Dev, come on, man. You 30 minutes later, it'll be back. I just put it on timeout, not on ban or anything. Scammed me? Oh, of course. I had an intuition, you know. This was my 10th account. Okay, stop it, guys. Stop it. Okay, no impersonation anymore. All right, let's fix this. Now I have a global for my player, which is good. Which is wait, character GD, which is accessed by this code. Wait, this is making sure that my character is game manager dot set player self. Yeah, so this is making sure that the character body 3D is the global variable which is called player. Now the rig. I'm not going to touch this. If I touch this, things are going to break. There are some code on this which I need to get rid of. Okay, let's see. Camera rig main camera. Vector ray origin ray end. This is for mouse character movement. Ray origin and ray end, which is taking my man for 5 days. I didn't look at this code. I'm also confused. We got Edge and Microsoft Pedal. Here's my arm. I wasn't paying attention on the stream. What is it up to? Oh yeah, wait, hold on. You were busy uh, talking to yourself in your second account. uh, make okay. Hold up. Okay. So this ray, what is this? Already variable shader change. Shader change. We are not going to do shader change anymore, so we can remove that. Raycast for changing. What is it called again? Proximity. No, distance fade. Changing distance fade. That is going to be our new raycast variable, which we'll be making soon. Right now, I have one. Oh, we have the raycast. So what? Wait. Are we gonna make the raycast on the character? That would be easier. What's your up to? What you are up to? Ah, okay, yeah. Basically the distance fade. Because you're mad at me? No. If I'm mad at you, I would have banned you. All right, so that is that. No, for constant foreground shader. Okay, we don't need this constant foreground shader to preload the shader. We're not going to use the shader anymore. We're going to delete a lot of things. This is my animation player. Blend time, walk to idle and idle to walk. Physics process, war, space state, get world 3D. Okay, this is for getting the physics state, get the mouse wave, get the mouse position. This is to make the ray. Then you can't ban me. I'm the only one helping you here. I can learn things myself, Dev. It's not like I will need help all the time. But it's good that you're helping me. No, I appreciate it. Why don't you try using Unity? You can make 3D and 2D games, but it uses C Sharp. C Sharp. The thing is, I want to use Godot and Blender. Both are free. So the thing is, why I'm making these videos is to make tutorials out of them as well. So it helps Godot and Blender users find tutorials. So I'm still figuring out things. So I'll make like short snippets of how to make your character follow your mouse or something like that. Small things. 3 to 5 minute videos. Godot is awesome. Yeah, Godot is awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. Wait, which is the new Call of Duty game which was made in Godot? Black Ops 6, right? No, was it Black Ops? No, wait, what is the name? I forgot. And also the mods which we gonna make for, like, people are gonna make for more Black Ops, Battlefield 6. Oh, no, Call of Duty, Battlefield. The mods which are gonna be made for Battlefield 6 will be made through Godot, which is so cool, man. Battlefield 6, a AAA title, is made from Godot. Godot, you can do shit. You can do things in Godot, which is crazy. All right, so this we need. Let's keep that. Physics array query parameters 3D create ray origin ray end. This is making the query, and this is the intersecting the ray which we just made. And if not intersection is empty, if there is no intersection at all, if not intersection is empty, if it is there, if it is intersecting with something, we switch our character towards the mouse. Okay, now since we have a lerp to make that rotation smoother, what if I remove this minus pi by 4 and play again, since we removed all the extra cameras? No, yes, it has a small angle, 45 degree or 30 degree something, it looking like odd. So I need that minus pi by 4. That happened after what did I do? Before it was okay, but oh yeah, that happened after rotated the camera, because see, before in the main scene, my character body was straight because I want a ARPG style, right? So I rotated the character in the main world itself 45 degrees, where my camera is also at. My camera is here basically. So what happened here is, if I make this back to straight, right? If I make this rotation back to 0 and save and play, see, now the character is having that. If I remove this code from here, like no, minus this one, now it is perfect. Now it is fine. See, now it is following the mouse. This problem was happening because my character was rotated in 45 degrees to get that ARPG style. What's the game about? The game is about it's a World of Warcraft inspired game. It'll have a art style similar to World of Warcraft, or like Warcraft / World of Warcraft. And you are a blacksmith. Have you seen PVKK trailer? PVKK? Can you expand PVKK? I'm not sure. So you are a blacksmith. You are a warrior blacksmith, basically. So it's warrior is a class in World of Warcraft. Blacksmithing is also a crafting class in World of Warcraft. So I'm combining these two aspects: warrior, blacksmith, and the main core of the game is blacksmithing. You craft armors, weapons, and stuff. I think PVKK means player versus Koala King. PVKK is a game made with Godot. Let me see. I'll check it out. Let me explain the game first. So the main core of the game will be blacksmithing, where you craft armor, where you craft weapons. Oh my god! Hi Chaitra, how you doing? Regular streamer, regular game dev streamer. Okay, so then previous game made with Godot. Yeah, I'll check it out. Player versus Koala King. Just kidding. I don't know. PVKK. I will Google it. Let me explain the game first. Then you are responsible. Like you are the only. It happens in a small town, but not in the World of Warcraft world. I'll get copyright striked and my game will be deleted. It's not a fan game either. It's like probably gonna be mainstream. So it's like happening in a fictional world. It's similar to World of Warcraft world, similar to Azeroth, I would say. Are you going to publish your game to any platform like Steam? Yeah, of course. Once it's done, I'll publish it on Steam. I need maybe a year or two. It'll take some time. So it will have combat as well, like combat as in killing monsters, killing legendary beings, protecting the city from monster raids, and all those things. The like main mechanics of the game I would want is first is crafting. Second is a shop system where you can sell your unwanted gear, like which you don't want to use or throw away. That is one. Next is a raiding system, like random mobs will raid your town, and you need to equip your guards and citizens. I mean, citizens means the villagers. The villagers with equipment, swords and stuff. And it depends on your town's level. There will be a level system for the town as well. Then I would love to try out your game. I'm not promising you anything right now. Once it finishes, definitely. Have you thought about the pricing? Because I'm broke. The thing is, usually I saw an article and also a YouTube video saying, like, for indie developers, it should be priced $1 per amount of game hours, like game time. If the game is like 3 hours or 4 hours to finish, like if the game is like that long, and if the game is like, imagine like a 10-hour game, in 10 hours you could finish it, like indie games usually price it that way. So if the game takes 10 hours for you to complete, the game will be priced $10. But the thing is, different countries will have different pricing systems. So it will be lesser than that or more than, no, it won't be more than that. It'll be lesser than that. So for example, if I price something in US for US $10, in India or somewhere else it'll be like 499 rupees or 399 rupees, depends. We all broke. Dev needs a new PC or a laptop. Then he'll start making 3D games. I understand why you're making 2D games. Will you make in-app? No in-app purchases, nothing. I might release some in the future. I'm thinking like maybe some DLCs, expansions or something like that. No, Steam doesn't allow in-app. Who told you? Who told you Steam doesn't allow in-app purchases, bro? Have you played like Lost Ark? Have you played like any Android port? It has in-app purchases. Games have in-app purchases. Even Path of Exile, game like Path of Exile have in-app purchases through Steam. PUBG, COD, etc. Yeah, exactly. Everything has in-app purchases. But I will just, I'm just planning of like making like expansions, or if it gets successful, if the game is successful, maybe let's say maybe 25k purchases or something like that. I would consider myself my first game, right? Successful. I might release some expansions or DLCs. Maybe like costing like lesser amount. Oh, sorry, it doesn't allow ads. Oh yeah, it doesn't allow ads, but in-app purchases, yes. It allows ads. It allows ads. No, it doesn't. Okay. No, Steam games doesn't have ads. I've never seen a Steam game with ads. Yeah, you're right, Crafty. I've never seen a Steam game with ads. Ads is for Android and iOS stuff. If I ever decide to make this into a iOS or Android version, I would reduce the price of the game. Like maybe if it's $10 on Steam, I would put it for like 3, maybe free. I put it for free on Android, and what I would do is put ads in it. I need to make something out of my artwork. Which dimension are you from? Wait. To be honest, I have to be out right now, but I just act foolish. I don't remember. You have to be out? Go out then. What is stopping you? Okay, so let's figure this out. Back to work. The cast is ready. So where do I need to put this code? I have the global player. Global player diecast. Have to be in a meeting. All right, man. But you're 13 years old and you have a meeting from Sunday till Wednesday from 3 a.m. till 6 a.m. 3 a.m. till 6. 3 a.m. 3 a.m. is in the morning. 3 p.m. or 3 a.m. 3 p.m. Okay. Who the hell wakes up at 3 a.m.? You don't want to sleep or what? Okay. Okay. My brain is not braining today. Let me think. Okay. Let's figure this out. We have the game manager, which we have a function variable called player, which is node. And we have a function set player. And set player, if I put self, it sets the player as the self. Great. And player equal to. All right. All right. Sometimes I don't understand my own code. You can call it a class, not a meeting, actually. Oh, a class. Understood. I'm playing Valorant while watching you stream. All right. Oh, okay. Just tell me this again. Which after ISO, how many characters released? Oh, wait, was it ISO last one? Yeah, tell me after ISO how many characters released. I don't remember the order. I think last one when I was playing, the last character released was ISO. Okay. Last agent was Vele. Okay, before Vele, who was the agent? I don't know who Vele is. Most recent. Tejo. I don't know Tejo. Tejo and Vele, I probably don't know. I think I know before who came before Tejo, maybe. We are all doing something, but your stream is so addictive that I can't even get it out from it. I'm literally doing nothing right now. I'm just procrastinating my stuff which I did right now. You guys like to watch me procrastinating. Okay. Figuring out where to put the code. So if I have my character, my ray is fixed and it moves. I think I should put it on the character itself, right? Let's put it on the character itself. Let's make a new ray, which will be similar to our this one because we already have the space state. Now let's copy this. Okay. It should be similar to this as well. This. Okay, let's copy this code. Okay, let's paste it like. Let's make a new function. Function distance fade. All right, distance fade. Should I put void? Void. Okay. So now I'll write pass. I'm losing for mine. Get out from the game. If we leave, are you on ranked? Hope for the best. You ranked, bronze too. Welcome. I'm also bronze. No worries. Well, last time I played, I was bronze. All right, function distance fade, which we made a new function. That in this function, we are gonna add this code. But now what happens is I need to remove this. And I need to change variables because a lot of variables are the same. Okay. Now I need to change the variables. This one we can stay the same because it is getting the world 3D. Okay. Direct say space state. Now variable player position. Okay. Get viewport. No, player position equal to player. No, wait. Wait, how do I get the game manager? Okay, game manager dot player dot position. Wait, position doesn't work. Works, right? Dot position. Player position equal to game manager dot player dot position. That should work. Okay. Bye, bye, Dev. Are you going? I will be here after 45 minutes. All right, all right. See ya. Bye, bye. 44 minutes. Hmm. Okay, now we have the player position. We have the space state. We have the player position. Now we need to make new for ray origin and ray end. We're gonna make it fade origin. Okay, fade origin and fade end. Oh, distance fade. There's a function called distance fade. Oh, I made that. I made that function. Oh, my bad. I made that function. I think I should add this. Make this function in player position. Game manager dot player dot ray. Wait. No. Position. Fade end. I was like, what is that function called distance fade? That's the one I made. I'll miss you more than I miss my projects on my functionable laptop. Yes, functionable laptop. You've turned 14 today? Hey, happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. Random message, today is my birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Right, fade origin, camera, project ray origin, mouse position. Go, Dev, go. Come back later, I will be here. I'll try to figure things out and break my code, and you will have to come and fix it anyways. Okay, fade origin, fade end. So, what is happening here? Mouse position not declared in the current scope. Okay, mouse position. Okay, so we need camera dot project ray origin to player position. Player position. It doesn't work. Fade. No, wait. Fade origin is camera. Rig. Wait, what is camera? Camera is main camera. Wait a minute. Okay, it should work. Camera dot project ray origin. My camera switches, right? And then why do I need the raycast? I don't need the raycast if I'm making it this like this. When's my birthday? My birthday just ended this August 2nd. I told you your stream is so addictive. June 22, why I think. No, mine is August 2nd. I turned 31. I'm old. Fade origin, camera dot project ray origin. I sense bro's gonna be back. Yeah, he'll be back. Camera dot project ray origin. Camera is my main camera, right? Camera is my main camera. Okay, camera variable camera equal to camera rig main camera. Okay. Oh, camera rig. Oh yeah, camera rig main camera. Camera dot project ray origin. Project ray origin. Did I make a function called project ray origin? No, that is inbuilt functions. Setting the ray origin. Setting ray end position. So ray origin plus camera dot ray origin at player position. Player position. Will it fix it? Fade origin not declared in current scope. Fade origin. Oh, why? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I need to make new variables, right? Yeah. Raycast for, there we go. Fade origin and fade. I completely forgot to make the raycast for changing distance fade. I lost 413. Nice. That's so nice. Box, have you ever tried Blender? Crafty quotes. Blender is great. Oh, I have to get into Blender, no, for you guys on this project to make the environment and stuff. Soon. Let me fix the base of the main world. Then we'll get. Hey, babe, what's up? What's up, baby? Did you get married? No, it's in December, dude. You still have 3 months to go. 4 months to go. Okay, now we have the fade origin and the fade end. Now we need to make a query called fade origin and fade end. Fade end. Fade end. Now intersection. Oh wait, this is the same variable, right? We need to change the variable name to variable. Let's say fade. That's enough. Then we'll have fade here. So that it hits from my camera to the player. Fade origin is the player position. And ray origin, not ray origin, sorry. Fade origin. Okay, now that is is that 0 or O? Fade origin. Now that's the thing. Now I need to change this code. I'm doing 100 days and 100 models challenge. Today is day 16. You in Discord? Yes. Wait, did you post something? My Discord will. If you are not joined my Discord, wait. Are you Kiri? You are Kiri, right? I tried to make a donut but quit halfway. You are Kiri, yes. You posted new image. Made a banner for a 2D game when I was working 6 months ago, but the game was never released. Stoy, a short adventure. Hey, it looked nice artwork. I like the artwork. 2D game. Okay, this is your latest model. Time lapse. Oh, it's a 10-minute time lapse. 10 minutes is not a time lapse. I swear, man. Come on. I'm gonna put it in fast speed. Right. Playback speed. Put 4x. I made it in 2x. 2x is not time. This is time lapse speed. Basically 8x or 10x is time lapse speed. 10 minutes for a time lapse video is too much. This is how the time lapse video should go. The music is in a different vibe right now. Okay. Okay. Hey, nice mirror modifier. Okay. Wait, having biryani at wedding or no? Yeah, of course, man. We're gonna have biryani at my wedding. 100%. Oh, you have a color sample, okay. Is that an actual model? Like a toy or something? Kire? Okay, here, what did you do for the world settings? Did you make a skybox? No, just a low polycar. Okay. So did you make a sky? You know what would be better? Better would be to use HDRI instead of using a skybox. HDRI would be better and use lights for shadows. Because of this air, dust, and ozone settings, right? Your colors might wash off or will not get the precise color sometimes, even if you put the exact RGB values. I'm still new to rendering. I will see that later. All right. You can get some free HDRIs. Okay, I'll show you something Blender called Blender Kit. Okay, there you can get some cool HDRIs. So what you do is go to Blender Kit. So type Blender Kit. You get this thing called Blender Kit website. Here you download the Blender Kit add-on. It's an add-on for Blender Kit. Then once you go to download the add-on, you don't have to extract the zip or anything. You open Blender. In Blender, once you open, you go to edit, preferences, add-ons, install from disk. Okay, then you select the zip file, it will automatically install. Then it will come here in this list here, Blender Kit online asset library. You tick on it. Okay, once you tick on it, it will come here in this section called Blender Kit. In here, there is an option called HDRs. You click on HDRs and here go in search filter, you go on free first. You will get so many free HDRIs. Easy, just one click and it will apply to your scene. Do you use Blender for your job? Yes, I do use Blender for my job. You can easily get hundreds of HDRIs for free. There are paid ones as well, but that will require subscription. But if you use Blender Kit, you can get HDRIs, you can get materials. There are literally 35,000 something materials, and everything is free. Each and every material is free. Wow, that means learning Blender is worth it? Yes. And models, there are free models as well. There are paid models as well. If you click on this, all these locked ones are paid models. These are all paid models. All these locked ones you see. If you log in your login account and if you pay for the subscription, you can access all these models for free. I think it's $6 per month something. Even a fully interior rigged Audi RS7. So if you go in free first, you can search for maybe a car or something. You can see all these models are literally free. You click on it, it downloads. Okay, just one single click, it downloads. If you're making a scene or something like that, you need some quick models, this is the best way to go. This is more, you have models, you have materials, you have scenes, you have HDRIs, you have brushes. The best part is brushes. See, the model is downloaded and it's completely rigged and everything, I guess. And if I put it into render preview, and also this is a render mode. I'm gonna add an HDRI as well, maybe like this HDRI, 2K resolution. It automatically applies that HDRI. Then in this render settings, I can turn off that HDRI's visibility. in here. Then see, the lighting has been applied to the scene, and I think I am on GPU. Yes. So it's like one single click you get HDRIs. You're also pro. I am so learn, man, learn. You'll get there. So this is how you get these models from here. Brushes are another part. I'll show you. Wait. Let me give me 1 second. I'll show you what the brushes can do. Okay. So when you go to texture painting, right, it's gonna be a little bit advanced, texture painting and all. So if you go to texture painting now, if I search for brushes, right, if I search for brushes, see, I get all these free brushes. Now in texture mode paint, if I go to texture paint, okay, imagine I want to give this brick texture. Okay, it's a texture. It's not a it's not a model. It's not a mesh. It's just a paint. It just gives some depth. So if I go to let's say Blender Kit, brushes. Wait, hold on. Oh, those are texture brushes. Sorry, those are texture brushes. There are painting brushes as well. These are painting brushes. Okay, these are all painting brushes. So if you want like simple grunge brush, you can have that for texture painting. Like you can do multiple things with it. I've made a texturing tutorial. So if you guys want to check it in depth, you can check that tutorial. Right now my Blender is kind of lagging. I don't know why. I think because of the model. Too many meshes. Okay, so that's Blender Kit. If you want to get it sorted, go to blenderkit.com, download the Blender Kit add-on, install it in your Blender. There will be multiple tutorials on how to install add-ons in Blender. Once you have that, you open the side panel and there you can download materials for free, models limited if you need a membership. Then HDRIs, a lot of HDRIs are for free. There are paid HDRIs as well. So easy lighting things you can get. It's like, no, you're learning. I know, understand you're learning, but there's way more things to improve. Another small shortcut I'll show you right now. If you have Illustrator, for example, if you have Illustrator, imagine I'm working like now. I need a shape. I need a proper nice shape, and you're really good at 2D. Imagine if you're really good at 2D, and I really need a small shape or something. Okay, so what I'll do is make a normal whatever size A4 or something. I want like maybe a star shape. Okay, to make this into 3D, I might have some difficulties. I'll just have a curved corner or something. Imagine I want the shape in my 3D software. I can save this as an SVG. I'll save as an SVG. Okay, save as SVG in my desktop. Untitled one SVG. Okay, I'll save this as a SVG. Okay, done. And in Blender, oh wait, you can't see. Sorry, my bad. Sorry, my bad. You can't see. What kind of job you do? I'm a creative manager for a events company. I don't know, you seem pretty pro in the video. I am pro at what I'm doing, my job. The game dev is my first attempt. Rest everything I'm good. Okay, so you make a 2D star or something in Illustrator. Now you know, like now it's easy to do in 2D, right? In Illustrator or Photoshop. Not Photoshop, probably Illustrator. It's easy to do in Illustrator. Now you save this file as a SVG. Okay, I save this file as an SVG. I'll open Blender, and in Blender, all you have to do is import that shape as an SVG in the desktop. Import the shape, it'll come here as a curve. Now this is a curve file, this is a curve object. I can resize it. Okay, it's a curve object, it's the exact same star. I can switch the set origin point back to the geometry. Now this is a curve. It doesn't have any depth. What you do is just right click on it, convert it to a mesh, then select everything, limiter, dissolve it. Everything will be disappearing except for this one single edge loop here. If I dissolve that edge, dissolve edge, it goes away. It doesn't matter much. So you have a single face. You can extrude it now, and you can give edge loops as you wish. Like now, it requires a little bit of refining, but you get that shape. Auto smooth, and there you go. You get that star shape from 2D, from Illustrator. You take it into Blender. Yep, that's easy and cool. This is basically what like my workflow at office is. So recently I made this. I'll show you. Open recent. Recently I made this. It's not opening. Hold up. Yeah. So recently I made this project. So we work for events, right? So it's a simple thing, like it's a actual scale symbol thing. And if I put this in my render preview, how can I get a job with Blender? It's basically 3D jobs. You can apply for 3D jobs in whatever field, like 3D in game development or 3D in game designing. I mean, not development, game designing, 3D in events and decor or whatever. I work in events. This is things I make. These are the things I make. Like this is just one. Like I make multiple things. Oh wow, this man looks crazy good. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. So the effect, the LED screen effect and all those things is very easy to do in Blender. The lighting, the HDRI, the lighting, and all the things, and taking renders with compositing. So I have a simple compositing setup here just to make my lights add a glare. That's all. So what this does is add a small glare into my objects onto my scene. Are you also a game developer? I'm a newbie game developer, but I'm a pro 3D designer. Jefford. And how you doing, Jefford? Welcome to the stream. So I'm just showing some things for Crafty here. So these are some renders. Okay, so these are the renders came out. All the lighting has a small glare to it because of the simple compositing node. I don't have to put it in Photoshop and redo everything, for all the lighting and everything. I can just put a glare node onto my compositing nodes and it will give you this effect. So most people in 3D uses Autodesk Maya. Most people use Maya. That's true. Most people use Maya. I know Maya as well, but Maya is paid. But if you go, the thing is, I'll tell you. If you go to industries, like if you go to a big industry like Pixar or Disney or DreamWorks or something, they already have this huge pipeline set for Maya and Max. They already have this pipeline set. They don't care about paying Maya and Max subscriptions for making their projects. They don't care about it. Blender is free. And it is good for learners. I mean, not learners, freelancers. People who can't afford a 1.2, 1.52 lakh subscription in rupees subscription for Maya or Max. It's $1,000 or some shit, right? More than that. So people can't afford that. So Blender is the best way to go for that. And also with like game engines and stuff, Godot is also free. I mean, the game which Blender and Godot collaborated and worked with is like the Dog Walk. Have you guys tried Dog Walk? A kind of fun game. It was made in Godot and the entire thing was modeled in Blender. All right, so let's get back to our work. Okay, so we have our fade variable and we need to change this variable intersection to, let's say, oh, no, this will be fade. No, this is, I'll just name it fade intersection. Otherwise it will get very complicated. So let's just fade intersection is empty. If it is empty, you are using Godot since 2019. Have you made something? Started with Godot 3.4 and now it's 4.5. Nice. I started using Blender when it was Blender 2.2 or something. It's really way back. Before that, I used to use Maya. Okay, so let's say if not fade instruction is empty. This is not for rotating the character. This is for fading objects. Okay. Distance fading. Okay, let's put distance fading object. So if not intersection is empty, we need to get the collision, right? Collision info. If not fade intersection is empty, do you also use a graphic tablet? I do have a graphic tablet, but I don't use it for most things. For sculpting, I use. I used to do digital art long time ago. Then I used to do, but now I don't do digital art anymore. Have a graphics tablet, not an expensive one. It's $30. One XP Pen Star G640. I have something called. I completely forgot the name. It was only. It's a big size one. It was $100, I guess. I mean 7,000 Indian rupees. So it's around that time when I purchased it. It was around $100, I guess. So I think I have it. Yeah, I have it. It is called not XP Pen. It's a Chinese brands. It was cheap and it was huge. It was a big one. So wait, let me show you. I don't have it. It's somewhere inside. Huan, not Huan. What was the name? Let me Google real quick. What was the name? I haven't used it in a while, so I haven't seen the name in a bit. It's like it has a red dial. It's like red and black. It is 10 inches, which is big enough, and no screen and all. So it's just big tablet. That's it, and it has a no battery thing. Forgot it, bro. Do your work. All right. Okay. If not, fade instruction is empty. Let's see. We need to do is get the collided material, right? Fade intersection dot get is colliding is what? Where is this colliding? Should I make a raycast instead of this stupid thing? Yep. This entire thing is gonna go to waste. I don't need this. Okay, let's just remove that. put you there. You're gonna call it fade cast. Rename. Okay. Fade cast. There you go. I'm gonna name you fade cast. I'm gonna name you fade cast here as well. There you go. Oh wait. You need to rename. There you go. Fade cast. Why are you having an error right now? Oh, not allowed on this level. Oh, okay. It should go up then. So I don't need you to. I'll have this cast instead. Fade cast. There we go. So it's called fade cast, right? Yep, it's called fade cast. Now in this thing, fade cast dot is colliding. There we go. Is colliding. Wait. Fade equal to no. Is fade check. I don't know what variables I am making. Later on, I'll be like, what the fuck is fade check? What the fuck is fading? Now, variable fading equals fade cast dot get collider. Okay. Now, not fading, I'll just name it fade. Get collider. Okay. So we have two variables, fade check and fade. Fade check and fade. I think we need to make an array. Okay, let's see. If fade check, uh, mm, if it's colliding, if fade check is colliding, fade dot material, no, mesh, no, fade dot shader, no. What are we missing? 1 second. I'm offline on Twitch. What the heck? What the heck? Oh no, yeah, I'm live. My bad. Okay, I can't get fade. Hey Musi, what's up? You are live. I am live. Thank you for confirming. Fade dot fade is basically fadecast dot get collider. So I have the collider information. So I have the information about the don't need this. Fade dot fade dot thinking material. How do I change the material? I think the fade should be a node. Oh wait, a mesh instance 3D. Wait, hold up. animation player. Okay, wait. I need to put the fade equal to. Oh, wait. Fade is a mesh instance 3D. Instance 3D equal to fadecast dot get collider. Now fade dot material. Yep, there we go. Material. It will overlay get material override. Now we know it's a mesh instance, right? So material. How do I get inside the material? GitHub is no longer an individual company. The CEO is stepping down, which means Bill Uncle can use all our codes to train their AI. Oh no. Oh no. Not Uncle Bill. Ah, gone. Our codes are gone. GitHub used to be the safe place to put all our codes. When did that happen? GG, it was a nice run. It was a nice run. Now we can just continue using Stack Overflow. But I do have some messages on my phone. Give me one sec. Okay. August 11. It happened on August 11. Oh shit. It's been 13 days. How do I change the material using code? Okay. Give me 1 second. ChatGPT. I want to ask you some questions. You better give some good answers. GD script to access material properties of a mesh instance 3D. Get surface override material. Get surface override material. If no override material is set, duplicate the original surface material. If material equal to null, material mesh surface get material mesh dot surface get material. Equal to mesh surface duplicate. Set surface override material into 0. Now you can change properties. If material is shader material 3D, material dot albedo dot color. Material albedo color, material metallic, roughness. I need to change material properties. Give me 1 sec. If you can do it with GUI, you can do it with code better. Life lesson. Ah, man. True. Maybe. I'm not sure. I want to change the distance fade on the material. Okay. Okay, so what we need to do is make a material variable called material, variable fade material, which will be equal to get surface. No. No. Get doesn't work. That doesn't work. ChatGPT, you're stupid, man. Get surface override material of what? That's a question. Of what? Base material 3D. Okay. You don't have code suggestions on this? Nope. There should be a plugin for that. For what? Code suggestions? Not, see, I'm not getting any. See, if I'm putting get surface or get material, it's not there. I think for that variable, it's not there, I guess. Maybe for this, wait a minute. What if I put it here? Variable fade mesh instance 3D equal to set set surface. Nope, not here either. Android Studio shows you description and short documentation. Just oh, you can see documentations. Like just control click on it and you can see documentations. I have so many documentations opened. But reading every single documentation is gonna kill you. Brain is gonna explode. Okay, so ChatGPT is saying something else. Var material equal to get surface override material 0. If material equal to null, material mesh surface get material duplicate. Set surface override material 0 material. Okay, then if material is standard, material 3D, material distance fade. Okay, if fade check, fade dot material dot distance No, but it's with the suggestions. You don't need to open it. I mean, I'm getting the suggestions, but not everything has suggestions. If I'm making an error myself, how would I get suggestions? Wait. If I'm putting some gibberish, they'll be like, what the fuck is happening? Self-sabotage. Self-sabotage, yes. War. Okay, so warfare material is a material. Okay, is a material equal to set surface. Nope, still not getting surface. Oh, get surface again. Get surface. Still not get surface. No. Fade dot get surface. Oh yeah, there we go. Fade dot get surface override material. Okay. Phew. Okay. Now, fade material is the fade objects material. Okay. Trying to figure this out. Self figuring it out. Okay. Now we have the material. Now, if fade material equal to null, and mesh. Oh no! Wait, wait. Hmm. Mesh should be capital or small. Mesh. No, mesh doesn't exist. Wait. Oh, wait. And fade not equal to null. Okay. Fade is basically the instance which is colliding it with. And double quotes, enter. What the fuck? Few arguments for get surface override material. Oh, I should put 0 here. Okay. Caps should not work because if it's starting with caps, it's a class. Yeah. It's a class. Yeah, I changed it. So it's not, it is, this is what how it is. So now, if this thing is this material, no, wait, fade material. Fade material should be equal to fade dot surface. Wait, underscore gets material. Huh? No, wait. Fade material equal to fade dot mesh surface get surface material, right? Get surface override material. That's the same as the same thing. बाय मैं अनरियल इंजन तो यूज किया है पर अगर रियलिस्टिक गेम बनाना है तो यूनिटी या गोडॉट यूज करना चाहिए. Oh, if you want to make ultra realistic game, then I would say Unreal. Uh, you should use Unreal if you want to make a realistic game. Unity and Godot is mostly for stylized games. No, stylized games बनाने के लिए है. Isn't that just skill diff? Skill diff. What for what? Unreal. What I missed, I was away talking to my relatives because it's my birthday. Yeah, I mean, we are trying to figure out how the distance fade code is going to work, but I am lost kind of because we are not getting some function inbuilt functions. Fade material is a what is fade material? Fade material is the override material, right? If this is this, we need the fade material equals. Still trying to figure this out. My coding is such a headache. Ah. Wait, don't need this. I don't need this. I just need to. if material now if paid material is standard material 3D, okay, double dots, material dot distance. No, why you don't come? Oh, paid material dot distance fade mode. Oh, yeah, we are reaching equal to wait. Oh, we already set it to object ether, right? Object. Nope. Distance fade mode equals. Oh wait. Do I have something called distance? Oh, distance fade mode. Oh, this one. Distance fade mode equals. I mean, you can make straight from CPP if you want. Oh, yeah, if you can make directly from C++, that's gonna take you ages. Engines exist for a reason, to make your work easier, Musi. It's just how you wanna work. Oh, it's up to you. Unreal has a weird rule when if you make some amount of money from your game, you need to pay it some royalty. Yes, Unreal has a rule that if you make it's not some amount of money. If you make money out of anything made in Unreal, you have to buy the license, not royalty. You have to buy the license. If you are making games in Unreal Engine just for hobby, just for small projects and stuff, and not making money out of it, then it's completely fine to use it for free. But as soon as you publish it somewhere for money, you have to buy a license. That's why Godot is free. Unreal is free to use, but not free to publish anything out of it. It's like $200K in 1 year. Yeah, something kind of like, no, 200. No, it's no. Is it true? Like games like Valorant also have buy the license. What about Unity? Unity is not free, right? Unity, to publish the game, you need a license. I think it's also free to use. I'm not sure about Unity. I never used Unity before. Unity is free, okay, but also publishing requires license, I guess. Fade material. Fade material. If fade material is standard material 3D, fade material mode base material 3D distance mode object ether. There we go. And fade material dot distance fade min equal to 0. Okay, 0.0. And fade material dot distance fade max equal to 0. Okay. Okay. It also has for publishing too. It also has a rule. If you are a pro, you need to buy premium. Well, that's a bummer. I'm planning to build a horror FPS type of game, so it's good to know. Try Godot. Trust me. Try Godot. It'll be great. If you want to make something casual, go for it. By the way, what is your game's concept? Oh yeah, so my game's concept right now is wait, let me save my code. Okay, so I have my control. It's a ARPG top-down game. I have my character controller set. I have. Oh wait, why is it? Oh wait, I think I forgot to add something in my code over here. Where is it? Rotate minus pi by 4. Okay, now the character should look okay. It's fixed. So my game's concept is World of Warcraft inspired. Art style will be similar to World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft inspired blacksmith warrior. No, your character is a blacksmithing warrior, and main core concept of the game is crafting, blacksmithing basically. And you can go do hunt on legendary monsters and all those things to gather materials to craft legendary gear. So imagine Monster Hunter World, or imagine Dauntless or Monster Hunter World paired with crafting core and a ARPG style battling system. So the thing is, it will be very minimal. It won't be like Diablo or Path of Exile or something like that. It'll be simple. So like League of Legends type. Oh, the it's not multiplayer. It's a single player game. I mean, the camera will be like League of Legends type. Yes, of course, the camera and stuff. So the camera is set. The character rotation is left. Right now, I'm trying to figure out me going behind objects and fading the things. See? So right now it is fading through a camera distance, fixed distance. But I want it to work while I am behind the object, only when I am behind the object. This is what my next, right now I'm working on. So once I figure out this and figure out the basic world, I will start with Blender and making models. Gotcha? All right. So right now that's the fifth code I'm trying to make for this function, distance fade function, to make my things set material. Whichever it's colliding, whichever the fade cast is colliding with, the ray cast is colliding with, I need to get that collider and set that materials material to materials distance fade mode and fade min and max to 0. If I am not colliding, that is, if the raycast is not colliding. I'm learning Unity. It's fun, but it hurts my brain. Everything hurts your brain. Wherever programming language is there, it hurts your brain. I think even Godot is hurting my brain. Imagine. I'm using this for the first time. I'm trying to figure it out for the first time. I'm not sure what the fuck I'm doing. You get it? So now we have fade material equal to getting the fade of the getting the surface material of the fade, which is the collided object. So now if I call this function in my thing, there is a problem. Cannot call method get surface override material on a null value. Now see, now this is where I try to figure out the bugs. I have learned some of Unreal. The graphics are crazy. So like story mode games can be made very good. I mean, you can make realistic graphics in Godot as well. Battlefield 6. Battlefield 6 is Godot. If you don't believe me, check out Google it. Hey, Grim Reaper, welcome to Discord. Battlefield 6, right? Hold on. Battlefield 6. Let me see. Battlefield 6, Godot. Battlefield 6 using Godot. There's how many videos are there on that? If you go check out YouTube it, Google it. So you can get realistic graphics out of Godot as well. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that much in what you are making the game in. I have integrated graphics. My laptop will blow up if I try Unreal. Yep, that too. I'm traveling, so I can't use my workstation. So Unreal isn't even possible on my laptop. Yeah. Nah. Well, Battlefield 6 is on Godot. It is. Even players can make maps in Godot and submit it to their workshop. So you can play things. All right. So now what is the error here? Var fade material dot material. Okay, cannot call method get surface override material. Wait, hold on. Let me just copy that. And copy that. Okay, now what do you want, ChatGPT? That's crazy. Yep. What graphic card do you have? A 3070. And I bought it used. I bought a used 3070 for literally 30% the price. Godot uses JavaScript? No, Godot uses GD script, which is basically a coding language for Godot itself. Okay, let's see. Function, distance fade, void, variable, fade check, fade cast is fade colliding, variable, if not fade check, return. Oh, yeah. I need to do that, no? If not fade check, if nothing is colliding, if not fade check, then return. Okay. No collision, nothing to do. Don't do anything. Oh, but wait, I need to change that, no? If not colliding, I need to return it. Okay, I'll fix it later. First, let me fix how to change the values when I'm colliding. It's a choice. You can do C sharp, or you can do GD script. These are the two options for Godot. Can Godot work on integrated graphics? I'm traveling for a long time, so I think I'm making something. Oh yeah, you can run Godot on integrated graphics. If you're not making anything complicated, that is, if you're making something 2D, 100%, go for it. If you're making something 3D, then I would say don't make it too high poly, too complicated. Keep it simple. Low poly might work. Okay, next, var fade. Fade is the mesh instance 3D, right? Fade cast, get collider. Let's just change this to collider. Okay. Here we'll change it to. So fade, I would just confusion. Sometimes just clearing confusion is good. I'm just gonna stop this code. Hey there, what's up? Welcome back. Okay, again, we need to do is if collider, there is nothing. If collider equal to null, then we don't need to run this return. Okay. What's the task? The task is the same thing. Which game engine do you use? Oh, me? I'm using Godot right now. Dev uses Godot as well. He's making something in 2D. Okay. If collider equal to null, then return. No need to run. If not, collider is mesh instance ready. Done. Okay, you got VC. What time is it? Okay, 1 sec. Yeah, I need help. Get in stream room. Hey, क्या चौधी हो रही guys? Game dev चल रहे game dev. Hello, what's up? Okay. Yo. Then collider equal to. So let's just. Oh, this should work, no? No, wait. To remove this from here equals. Collider is the fadecast get collider, and collider is null return. If not collider is mesh instance, then return.
How much did you get till now?
Right now, I'm trying to fix something. There are some errors. I'm trying to fix it. So what I'm trying to do is, I have the I have the raycast. Okay, I have the raycast right there. Are you looking? I'll stream on Discord. Give me 1 second. Share screen. Yeah, you can see the code now. 1 year, 7 months, 20 days. Bro, what name were you using before? I don't want. Why did you change your name? I don't remember any. Oh my dash dash. Crazy. I wish I could visit, but I can't. My mom doesn't allow me to talk to strangers. Typical Indian mom. I can chat, but I want to visit. It's okay. It's okay. If you don't want to, if your mom is not allowing you to, then I guess.
Yeah, hello.
Yep.
I'm back.
Yeah, welcome back.
Office.
Yeah, so you can see the code.
I'm officially.
Huh?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So
I can see it.
making a new function which is called distance fade. Okay, in that I've called it here, but I'm just need to fix it. So first I need to check if my raycast is colliding. Okay, then if it's not colliding, then just don't do any code. Just return it. Okay. If it is colliding, I mean, and also like next thing is like you need to check if it is getting collided. Okay, with something. If it's not colliding, again return the code. Okay. I mean, if it's colliding, I mean, if it's not, if colliding is null, like if nothing, it's not colliding with anything, just return the code. And if it's colliding, if it's not colliding with a mesh, okay, then return the code. So the code will not run if it is anything like if anything stupid happens. Okay. Now I made a.
If collider equal none, the same as if not fade cast, yeah.
What?
If collider is double equal null, the same as if not fade cast.
Same as fade cast? No, it's not same as fade cast. Fade cast is the raycast. So raycast has a collision.
Yeah, and I meant.
Yeah,
what's the difference between fade cast and collider?
Collider is the object which it is colliding with. Okay. Fade cast is the raycast.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you understood. So we need to get the information about the collided object, right? And the collided object needs to be a mesh instance. So if it's not a mesh, if it's not a mesh instance, if it's nothing is there, and if it's not colliding, the code will not work. Where are you? Where are you from? India? I'm from Kerala. You can talk in Hindi. I don't want to talk in Hindi. I know Hindi. I don't want to talk in Hindi. Most people will not understand. Yeah. You know Hindi? एकदम बढ़िया ठीक है yes. Nice.
I don't know too much Hindi. I just have like some friends from India, Kerala. Same as Kerala.
Talcheri, nice. You're Kerala friends. I'm from Kerala as well. All right. So now next step, what we need is we need to tell Godot that the collided object is a mesh instance 3D. So for that we do here new variable which is called, we're just gonna call it fade for now. It is gonna be a mesh instance 3D, okay, and which will equal to collider. So now they know the collided object is a mesh instance 3D. All right, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Now for the fade material, we need to change the material, right? So the fade material is a material. We need to make sure it's a material, and we need to change the fade objects. This objects get surface override material. So it will get the material of the objects of the collided object. Which subject did you choose in 11th? Science. Computer science.
Okay, you just tell me what do you want to just tell me what are you up to, and I will try to help with that because I can't get like the idea. Just tell me what you want.
Okay, let me type in few more lines. Then if we'll see if it works. Okay. If fade material equal to null and fade dot mesh not equal to null, then then variable, we need to make a new variable called base. Let's call it base. Do you plan on making a Unity guide? It will be helpful. I'm planning on making Godot and Blender guides. I'm not gonna get into Unity because my channel will be focusing on Godot and Blender. I don't want to mix and match a lot of things, but let's see how the channel goes first of all. If it goes well, then I might slowly get into Unity. Maybe my next game I'll make in Unity and stuff like that. Okay, variable base material equal to fade dot mesh dot set no surface set material, no get material or set material, wait, get material, yes, surface get material. Then if base material not equal to null, we do fade material equals base underscore material dot duplicate. Ooh, but duplicate means bool false, or it's not necessary, I guess. Let's see. Then fade is the object, fade dot set surface material. Yep, set surface. Wait a minute. Oh, set surface override material. There we go. 0, comma, fade material.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah.
The fade material, the var one. You wrote fade dot get surface override material. Is it get surface override material or set surface override material?
It is get surface override material. I think so. Let's see. Errors will pop up now. Oh, it didn't. No errors.
I can't see the screen.
Okay, oh, you can't see it. Okay, wait. But the code is not working. It seems it's not setting anything. Hold on. Okay, so now there are no errors. Oh wait, did I call the function? Distance fade. Okay, I called the function.
I think it worked. I think when you got like near the obstacle, it worked. I think.
No, wait, it didn't work because I'm setting it to 0 and 0, right? It didn't set to 0, 0. If fade material is standard material 3D, fade material dot distance fade mode equal to base material distance fade object dither. Fade material. Okay, what if I remove from the mesh? Wait, from this mesh. I'll remove this disabled. Okay. Save. Play. But if I go next to it, okay, it's 0, 0. Hold on. So if fade material is standard material 3D, fade material is a material, standard material 3D. Variable fade equal to mesh instance collider. If fade material equal to fade material equal to material, fade material get surface override material. Yeah, it is get only, not set. Oh, we need to set it, no? Yeah, we forgot to set it. So this is what it does with setting. Oh, wait. Then fade dot set. Oh, wait. Well, we need to set the material, right? Give me 1 sec.
Maybe trying to write print and inside every if statement. You can print this in this function,
Which
distance fade, and then
this
like which print is like printing out the value and which is not, and the one which is not printing the value might be the error.
oh,
Like
we need to put a
might,
print. Where will I put the print?
like I meant to add a print inside like the if statements. At the end, you have if statements. Yeah,
This one,
you
no.
can add. Yeah, you can add prints maybe inside it, and when you run the game, like check which prints are you like writing in the output, so you can check if statement is working or there's like inside a double quote.
Nope.
Oh, this one is not working.
No, this is like setting the material distance. Wait, if I put this
Okay.
in this if statement. Okay, let's see. Let's put it in every if statement and see. Okay. There, there,
But
there.
you will not know
Wait,
the
wait, wait.
difference.
Wait. Let's put 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and print. This is just testing, right? Print 4 there, and print 5, and working. All right. Okay, so 2 is printing. 2 is printing. Only 2 is printing. So 2 means the fade cast get collider null. That means nothing is getting collided, so it is fine. Okay, so this works. That is fine. So that means it's not getting collided with anything. Now, if I go here, okay, nothing prints. Here also nothing prints. Like, yeah, nothing else is printing. So this is working. Okay, the collider is null, then that is working. If fade check, fade cast is colliding. If not fade cast, print 1. Okay, let me see. If not fade cast, return.
Can you show me the collider?
Which collider?
Raycast.
The raycast.
The raycast. Yeah.
Here. This blue line.
Oh, okay. So you have it at the code, and then wait.
Okay, if not
Did you
fade
assign it?
cast.
Did you assign it to a variable?
What?
Did you assign the raycast, the fade cast to a variable?
Yes. Here.
Oh, okay.
Not fade cast return.
You're writing at the first if statement, if not fade cast. It have to be if not fade check, yeah?
If not what?
You wrote at the first if statement, if not fade cast.
Uh-huh.
You could change it if not fade check.
Fade check? Oh,
Yeah.
wait. Oh, wait. Yeah. Not fade check. That was the problem? Oh,
That was
yeah.
for the first statement.
Wait. Now it should print one. Yes, now it's printing one. Okay, so if I go here, will it stop printing? No, now it's printing one. So if not fade check. So if I put if fade check, if I collide with it, it's not still not printing. Okay, so wait, what is this? Is colliding. Fade check is colliding. Oh, sorry, fade check is fade cast dot colliding. If not, will you live stream for 2 years straight every day, then publish game as you said? Probably. That's the goal. If I see, I have a full-time job, so if I get time during the night time, or if I'm not tired, I'll stream, and the development will only happen during the stream period. Otherwise, it's gonna be an unfinished game if I'm not gonna live stream and have some chill time. Okay, if not fade check, okay, it's gonna be fade check, right?
Yeah, it have to be
not fade check. Fade check is fade cast is colliding. Return. Okay, so let's put some values here. Minimum at 35, maximum at 40. Okay, then so print one is working now. Print one is working because it is colliding. If it's not colliding,
yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not colliding.
Yeah.
But see, but if I go and stand in front of that, the one is still getting printed. It's not stopping printing. See, the number is going up and up. So if I make print 2 here again, print 2. Okay, so 1 and 2 should print. Wait. So collider equal to fade cast get collider equal to null. That means 2 also should print. 2 is not printing. Wait, did 2 print? No. So what if I go stand here? Still 1 is getting printed. Okay, so now 2 doesn't print, 1 prints, 1 works. Okay, let's begin this from not fade check return. Then collider, fade cascade collider equal to null, return. If not, color is mesh instance, return. Enable fade. Enable fade material, fade, and surface material 0. If fade material equal to null and mesh fade dot mesh not equal to null. Enable base material, fade dot mesh dot surface get material. If base material not equal to null, fade material equal to base material dot duplicate, fade set surface modifier. Everything looks okay to me.
I can't understand like your code, all of your code.
You can't understand.
I can't. because there's some like they're very similar.
So, okay, let me explain right now. Okay. So, fade check is basically a variable to
Oh,
see.
wait. Uh, for now I'm going like just like a couple minutes. I will come back.
Okay.
Will you be at the live?
All
Will you
right.
be at the stream?
Yeah, I'll be here.
Okay.
I might go. I'm not promising. If anything, I might go
I
or I
just
might
want
be
to
here.
go. Just want to go pray Maghrib and I will come
Okay.
back.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Let's. Well, I'm gonna exit stream now. Wish you the best and watch the next one. Now. All right. All right. All right. No worries. Have fun. Bye. Distance fade is active camera or raycast. It only fades when the objects A, B, B, and falls within the instance. Test the result. Test if it works. Try something obvious first. Okay. Come on. Why you not working? One is getting printed. Only one is getting printed. So that means this is working, which is checking if the raycast is not colliding. Okay. So it's not colliding with anything. So it's returning. Okay. I don't care about the return. Okay. Now does the two print? Okay. Two is not printing. That means var collider equal to fadecast get collider. If collider equal to null, this was printing before. Now it's not printing. I don't know why. If collider equal to null, print is 2. Are you not printing? Alright, doesn't need to print. Hold up. Okay. Oh, war collider. If collider equal to null, print 2. Did you have any other variable called collider somewhere? No, okay. All right. So what's wrong? Oh wait, not this one. Wait, hold on. Base material. I'll object either. That's what I want. Day 4 of being a true diddler. Things are not going. Things are not going as I want it to go. 2 is not getting printed. That means this is not working. If collider equal to null, what if it's just no? That means I'm setting it to null. No, I don't want to set it to null. If collider equal to equal, that means if it is null, print 2. I mean, it should be null, right? There's nothing colliding with nothing. Maybe in my recast, exclude parent. It's excluding parent. Collision mask. What are you doing here? Layer 2 on the collision mask. Why are you in collision mask 2? Why are you not in 1? Still no. Nope. Why did I turn that off though? Why my player is in collision objects, visual skeleton 1 and 2, 1 and 2, fade cast 1 and 2. I don't know why. Mesh instance. Which mask are you on? You are on visual instance mask. That is visual instance 3D mask. I put both on. Collision shape, yeah, collision shape. Nope. Okay, things are not working. Okay, 2 is not getting printed. Let's go back. Hey, copy, what is all this? Game dev. We make game. You guys play my game. How you doing, filter copy? We're doing some coding and shit. And seeing if it works. Man, yes. But I'm trying. Okay, I'm figuring things out. It's not going as expected. Okay, I need this thing right here. Takes time, not so simple sometimes. It is, yeah, it is not simple, but keep at it. It'll take a few years or so, maybe. Who knows? Okay, so let's see. Distance fade, void. If fade check is fade cast is colliding. If not, fade check return. Okay. War collider, fade cast, get collider. If collider equal to null, print 2, return. If not, collider is mesh instance, print 3. If not, collider is mesh instance 3D. That means if collider is not a mesh instance 3D, print 3, don't run the code. Variable fade, mesh instance 3D collider, or made material, fade get surface override material. If fade material equal to null and fade mesh equal to null, or base material equal to, okay. If base material not equal to null, fade material equal to base material dot duplicate. Fade set surface override material 5. If material is a standard material, okay, let's, oh no, it's not even colliding in the first place. But let's see if this works. Fade. Okay, let's control K this. Okay. We'll write a new one. Fade material dot transparency, okay, equal to base material transparency alpha hash. Okay, variable color, which is into fade material dot albedo color. What happened here? Wait, color dot alpha equal to, no, I don't want to do that. It completely, and I have to give a lerp to it. No, I am not going in the alpha direction. I'm going in my original way of doing the distance fade object theta. All right, now I need to check one more small thing where I'm going wrong. Okay, first I need to make this work, then only I can make the array and make the thing restore itself to 0, 0. Ooh, okay. Variable fade check. I did call it distance fade function. I did call it, so it should be working. Oh yeah, it's printing 1, so that means it should be working, but it's not printing 2 when I'm not colliding with anything. What if? Oh, it's returning. Okay. It's returning the code if it's not colliding. But if it's colliding, it should go here, right? If it's colliding with something, it should not return the code. Oh, 3 is printing now. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Was 2 printing? 3 is printing now. Bro, you can open enable collisions when you run in edit mode. Edit mode? You mean, wait, what? You can debug faster. Now, if not color is mesh instance, okay, now this is printing. That means it's working. It's working. Go to editor. Editor. Where is editor? You mean inspector? To left. You mean inspector. Top left. Top left? Near file. Oh, left. Okay, editor. I'm looking at right. Editor. Then top menu bar. Yeah, got it. Debug. Okay, it's in debug. Visible collision shapes. This one? Yes. So now I can see the collision shapes. Oh, in the game I can see the collision shapes, right? Okay, now 3 prints. It's collided, right? Okay, now it's not collided because it's too close to the wall. Oh yeah, I know why. I know exactly why. My this thing raycast is not close enough to my character. See, now it's close enough to my character. Now if I run, the blue means it's not colliding. Wait, what this? Oh, oh, okay, so that's too big. It's colliding with my on character. So I just decrease it a little bit. 38. No, 38.5. That should be fine. Okay. Now it doesn't do that weird thing. Now if I go here, now it's colliding. Now it's giving me 3. It's printing 3. That means this is working. If not, collider is mesh instance. I mean, if collider is a mesh instance, it prints 3. That means that's working. Oh, wait, if not, collider is mesh instance 3D. It is a mesh instance, right? Yeah. If not, collider is mesh instance 3D, then you return the code. Wait, then I should not return the code, right? If the collided object is a mesh instance, then why would I return the code? Colliding with this. It's colliding with this. Yeah, it's colliding with everything I want. If I go here, it stops colliding. Perfect. Now, it stops colliding at this place around here. Okay, perfect. So the raycast works. It is detecting the collision. If not, collider is mesh instance 3D. If collider is mesh instance 3D, print 3. What if I remove not from here and will it print 3 again? Oh, it fucking crashed. Trying to assign a value of type rigid body 3D to variable of type mesh instance 3D. Wait, I didn't make any rigid body 3D. Oh. Oh. Wait. I have to make this into a rigid body 3D. Yes. So if collider is a rigid body 3D, and fade equal to mesh instance 3D, collider. Oh, no, it will still not work. Now this one is saying fade is a rigid, but rigid body 3D doesn't have material. Can I put a material on rigid body 3D? I can't. How will I access it then? So what if I make it rigid body 3D? Okay, now what? Trying to assign a value of type rigid body to a variable of type mesh instance 3D. Okay, it prints 3. It prints 3 now. Okay. If collider is rigid body 3D, print 3. Bro, I think ordering is not good. Have you made layers, collision layers? Still thinking. Hello, welcome back to Dev. Bro, I think the ordering is not good. Have you made layers, collision layers? Yes. I've made collision layers. It should be fine. I think I've made collision layers. Yes, I have made collision masks and layers. If not, now if I go behind this, it crashes. Okay. Non-existent function get non-existent function. Okay, wait, hold on. Welcome back, Dev. It crashes. Non-existent function gets surface override material in base rigid body 3D. Okay, so rigid body 3D doesn't have that function at all. The fade has to be in mesh instance 3D. Oh. Mesh instance 3D. Then okay, so this trying to assign value of a type rigid body to variable of mesh instance. So that means this one is to be mesh instance 3D. So if not, collider is mesh instance 3D. Oh, I mean, yeah, it's a rigid body 3D, right? It's not just a mesh. There is a mesh, but if it's a mesh, it did print 3. No, it's crashing. I mean, it's colliding with rigid. Wait, trying to assign value of type rigid body 3D to a variable type mesh instance 3D. Fade. Fade is a mesh. Okay. No. If not. Whoop. Okay. Now it does print 3. It is colliding. It does print 3. I have debug on now, so it is colliding. It is detecting the collision as well. It is printing 3, which is good. That means this part is running. This is running. This is running. This one is returning when it's not getting collided for anything, but the 2 is not getting printed. Before it used to get printed, now it's not printing. If not, collider is mesh instance 3D. But why is it 3 printing? 2 should print, right? We are colliding with the mesh, but that is a rigid body 3D. Can you make it print the mesh description info? Wait. Hold on. I have the code for it. So I just type the mesh, print mesh. right? No. Print mesh.name. No, wait, no.
Hello?
Fade.name. No.
Oh. Just write print fade or the collider. Print collider.
Oh, yeah. Print collider. Dot name, right?
No, just leave it as it is.
All right. Yeah. It is colliding with
Yeah, okay, it's rigid.
rigid body 3D. It's colliding with the rigid body 3D.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
mesh.
So they got
But I want to collide it with the mesh, right? Rigid body 3 doesn't have
the same.
materials. Wait, doesn't have materials.
Yeah. Maybe get down.
Uh-huh. So we know that it's colliding with your
At the
rigid body.
at the inspector. Yeah.
What?
Scroll down at the rigid body inspector.
Rigid body inspector.
Rigid.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Okay. Scroll up. Then okay, now down at the down.
Down?
Yeah. You can add a script and in the script you make it like the visibility change or something like this.
In the rigid body. But see, the thing is, I want.
You can make the mesh with you can make the mesh with no rigid body. Yeah.
I can make the mesh without rigid body, but it needs a collision, right?
Yeah, you can just like you see, just make the mesh, get the mesh out of the rigid body, and get also the collision. You can erase it completely.
Okay, this to
Rigid body and the collision just erase.
delete. Okay.
Yeah, delete.
So I have the mesh.
So click at the mesh. Go to the 3D view. Get to the 3D view.
So I need a collision for this.
Yeah. Click at the mesh at the top. At the top in the inspector at the top. Click at the word mesh. No, not in the inspector. No, there like at the side. Top toolbars. The toolbar.
Toolbar.
Not here. Up. Move your mouse up. Under the character scene.
Yeah.
No, under.
Oh, wait.
Open the main.
Toolbar.
Yeah, over here. Click at the mesh. Click at mesh. Click at mesh. The word mesh.
The world mesh.
No, the word mesh.
The mesh. I selected, right?
No. You see, click mesh.
Mesh. Yes. Create collision shape.
Create collision. Yeah. And then no, wait. And then click at sibling. Click at sibling.
Yes.
Choose static body. Yeah, and then the term mesh you can make it simplified.
Single convex. Or simplified convex.
You can make it single or simplified.
Okay, so now it created a static body 3D with a collision shape.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the same size, the same like.
Oh, it'll create the exact same shape. Okay, that is nice.
Yeah, even if your mesh is so complex.
Yes, dude. I'll see you later. All right, filter copy.
Rather than doing it by hand, you can do it like this.
Yeah, this is much better now that rigid body is gone. That was making the issue. Now it is static body 3D. It's wait, what? It's colliding. It's colliding. It's colliding.
Wait.
It's colliding.
Get out.
It's colliding with the static body 3D now. Wait. Can I give?
You drag the static body out of the mesh 3.
If I move.
Yeah, you can make it like that.
Oh wait. If I move the static body.
I think
if I move it.
It may be out of the mesh.
If I move it out, but I need a collision for this, no?
It will not change. It will not. change anything. It was still the same, but like in other position.
But now the static body requires a scale. Wait.
It's not. This is not an error. You can play it. You can play it now.
Okay. Wait. Hold
Play
on.
it.
Hold on.
No.
Okay. Play. Okay.
Play just.
It will still collide with the static body because the static body is there. It's the exact same place.
Okay. So okay.
It doesn't matter if it is inside or outside. It's still gonna get collided with the static body now.
Okay. Oh, okay. I got an idea. This.
Okay.
You see, Einstein. Open the script.
Script.
And then where are which section are you defining the collision of the raycast? The raycast.
Raycast is
when the raycast collide. I know when the raycast collide.
So
where is the
where's
the section that you
is colliding? Is colliding?
Yeah,
check.
The F section. The F section of the fade check.
F fade material. Yeah, here you go.
You can write get parent.
Where?
The place. You see when you wrote the collision.
Wait, hold on.
My siblings are in trouble. I just trying to tell them to get out. My siblings. Okay, so the fade is basically the mesh. So fade.mesh surface get material. Then we are set surface override material. Yeah, you remember when you wrote print and then the print and then the collider at the top top. Here print if
collider.
Not collider is mesh. Yeah, this one. You can just erase it. If not, okay. No, not this. I mean, like erase the print. Oh, this print. Why? Yeah. Because we need to check if it's a mesh. No, it doesn't have. I have like you see another way. Okay, you just write no inside the F F write get underscore under the under parents. Oh yes. Okay, now it goes to the mesh instance. So now try printing it like print get parent. Print and inside the print get parent. Like this? Get parent. Yeah. Try just to see if double quotes? No. Yeah, start. Yeah. No. No need quotes, no. Just start. Yeah, no need. Get parents. Now it's going to the node 3D. Oh, wait a minute. We already said get parent here. Now we just need collider here. You wrote it too. No. Wait, like this. No. We already set it to. Now it's static body 3D. Why? Why is it going to node? Wait. No. Wait. Stop. Erase the collider. Erase the word. Yeah. And then just delete the get parent from outside and just write it in the print. What? Yeah, delete the get. Okay. Delete the get parent. Okay. And just write it at the print inside the print. Okay. Get parents. Yeah. Okay. Just like this. But it's just for a print. No, it's just for debugging. It's still going to node 3D, which is the original one. Why is it not taking the mesh instance? Okay, wait. Right, get. Okay, get child maybe. Child? CHI, yeah. No, child is like the under one, not the above. Wait, just write get child. Let's see which one. Which one will pop? Get children, get child count, get child. No, child count is like how much
How
child
many
like
child?
is under. For example, you have the node block, yeah, over in your scene tab, yeah. You have the child, you have the node which you call it block, yeah.
Yeah, that is no.
And you have
This one, right? I
block
want
one. In,
no.
no, no,
Blocks.
no, no.
These are the blocks.
I'm just.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. I'm
Count,
just telling. I'm just
right?
telling.
Yeah,
It
count.
you have, so it will count it. It will just count it like.
Yeah, that I
You get my
understood.
point?
That I understood. But I don't want to count. I want to get.
So just like, yeah, just right, yeah.
No, not get child will not work. Get parents.
Try parent node 3D.
Parent node 3D.
Okay.
I'm not sure if it's gonna give. It's giving node 3D, which is the original one. It is not giving the mesh. How do I get the mesh instance? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. If not, collider is mesh instance. What if I remove this?
Yeah, just not just if collider, just if collider. Because you're just saying
Okay,
like
if collider
yeah, it will do the same.
prints collider. Let me try this. Okay, print collider, right?
Yeah. This time might work.
Static body 3D. It is going to static body 3D. I don't know why it's going to static body 3D. It should be colliding with the mesh. See, the collision shape is on the static body 3D. What if I put it on the mesh itself? See, the error is there.
Wait. I know.
Why? What?
I think when you wrote get parent,
Uh-huh.
it got the parent of the character body 3D because this is the script of the character body 3D.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Ah. Okay, so basically what we need to do is get collider.
Collider dot get parent.
No, not get parent, right? So because this is in a different scene.
Collider dot get parent.
Collider. Yes, collider dot get parent. No, get parent is not there. Get parents.
Okay, just right. Get parent. No, with the double the curly brackets or this one. The curly brackets. What does it called?
It's just showing.
No, at the end.
Curly bracket.
At
Wait.
the end. No, not the curly bracket. Like, what does it call? This one?
Brackets.
No. Yeah, the brackets. The normal one.
Like this?
What are you typing? No.
No.
You see at the end of get parents.
Uh-huh.
You know the sign at the end? How does it look?
What at the end?
That sign, yeah. The bracket. I think it's called bracket. Just write it.
Bracket? Just normal bracket.
Not the
Like this.
one.
Wait.
Yeah, like this.
This.
Yeah, but just like the open one and the closing one.
Where do I need to put it?
Oh my goodness. The end of the get parent.
One more bracket. It's
No,
already there. The bracket
you see
is
the
on
opening bracket? What's it? Can you click the opening bracket?
opening bracket.
Yeah, it's like this. So just write it before the closing bracket. Before the closing bracket. Yeah, that's it.
That's a function, right?
Yeah, that's a function.
But
Just play.
okay. Now it's printing mesh instance. Hey! Good job. Okay, now we know it's colliding. Okay, now it is okay. So basically, if collider dot get underscore parent like this, right?
Yeah, just want to get the parent of the child of the collider, not of the character body.
Yes, yes. Now, so if collider, if it's colliding,
you can do a new variable, call it collider parent or the parent collider or the whatever you want to call it, and assign the collider dot get parent. So the next time you want to write collider dot get parent, rather than typing collider dot get parent, you can just write the variable name. Like I assign it to a var.
Wait, hold on. Thinking. So if fade check is colliding, if not fade check, if it's not colliding, return. Then collider is null, return. Okay. Okay, now it's colliding with the mesh, right? So if collider collider dot get parents.
Wait. Is it if collider or if fade check? Because
fade check is colliding. We need the object.
no, like try swapping if collider with if fade check.
Here.
Yeah, fade check.
If fade check collide.
Yeah. No, just play.
Play. It will still give you the collision because fade check is basically checking if it's getting collider or not. Collider is the object which is getting collided.
Yeah. Okay. So it's basically same. You can call it as the same. It gives the same output, the same thing.
Okay. So if printing works, that means this code works, right? It's getting the parent. Okay, if fade check collider dot get parent, that means it is working. Is get parent is working. Collider dot get parent. So var fade basically mesh instance is collider.
So we just fixed that. Yeah. You can you try it with other blocks? The blocks node, not the mesh instance. So
Okay.
we check.
Block. Node 3D. It's not going to mesh.
Yeah. So like
So in the block scene, it's a mesh and a collision shape.
No, because you say because you wrote the collider dot get parent, so it got the parent of the block node. So the node of the block is the node.
This one is this node. Yeah, this node.
Yeah, you see. Maybe you can write a fast if statement, which if the node name is like contains the word block, then it will not get the parent. If doesn't contain the word block, then you can get the parent. So it can check if the scene of the block, or is it another.
That will be too complicated. So if I have block, if I have house, if I have tree, then I have to write on everything, right?
Like you can call like anything that you want to get the parent of, you can call it mesh, or you can call it obstacle, or you can call it whatever. And what you don't want to get the parent of, you can call it block, or you can call it like whatever you prefer.
That will make things complicated later on.
So okay, we can make it as
okay. Let's just make it work first. Then we'll figure out how to put the scene together. Let's make it figure out on this big block, on this big purple block.
Now it became very easy. Now you just write get collider.get parent.
Wait, wait, wait,
Let's
wait,
hide.
wait, wait, wait,
You
wait,
want to
wait.
hide completely or
Where?
in the fade check.
In
If fade
oh,
check
in
this
here
one.
only, no? Collider dot
Yeah.
get parent.
Dot
Yes.
and dot.
Dot
No,
dot
get. No, just write dot.
dot.
The collider dot get parent dot. No, don't give. Get to the same line. Same line.
Okay.
Yeah. Dot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Assign it to a variable. Assign it to a var.
Okay. Var mesh. Fade mesh.
No. You'll be complicated. It's already made, I think so.
Fade
Fade
mesh.
mesh.
No. Fade mesh is not there.
Okay, you'll be complicated.
No.
When I
I will
speak.
understand. I will understand.
Okay.
Okay.
Fade
Fade mesh.
mesh. Fade mesh. Right, no. Enter new line. Yeah. Fade mesh. Dot. Oh, you can't.
No, you say something. No dot.
Okay. Because I wanted to
Oh,
enter the.
it won't work. No, because
Yeah.
variable mesh.
I think because the collider dot get parent, so it don't know what parent will it get. Yeah, if you assign mesh, yeah, it will. I think so. I think.
Fade
Yeah, fed
mesh.
mesh
Dot.
dot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, material or no. The the visibility or what? What will you?
No,
What will
material,
be?
material. It's here,
No,
last.
it was something. No. It was
Distance fade
something at
mode. Huh?
the inspector and the inspector down, inspector down,
Wait,
in the
vector.
inspector.
Wait, inspector. On the mesh now?
Yeah. Down.
This one, distance fade.
Distance. This one. So it's material dot distance fade.
Material dot this. No, it won't. See, that one I already
Okay, just
here.
write distance
It's this one.
dot.
See. You need a material object. That means I have to make a new variable called material. Okay. Then on material node only you can access the distance fade mode and distance fade set
Also,
things.
wait. No, just write distance fade with no material at the top. Yeah, just write dot distance.
Dot distance. No, fade is not there. Distance fade is not there.
You can. Okay. Write visibility maybe.
Dot
Write visibility
visibility.
or visible.
Dot visible.
Visible. Okay, so it's already there. So yeah, it's in the so it's in the mesh instance right now.
Mesh instance.
Maybe, yeah, no, like I mean right now. Like I just double check, double check at something. So dot maybe like get up in the inspector.
Get out of the inspector.
No, get up. Yeah. So material is not there. Yeah.
Material is there.
Right. Dot mesh.
Visible dot mesh.
No. Erase the visible. Right. Just dot mesh.
Dot mesh. Dot.
Yeah, dot material.
Get surface get material.
No. Okay. Right. Dot distance fade.
Mesh dot distance. Nope, nothing. It won't come that way. You need a material. So I already assigned a material here. So fade material, I made a material, and we're getting the get surface override material. So fade is basically the object which is fading. The fade is the collider object. That I think we are making it here now. So we don't need this anymore. Wait a minute. So what if we bring these two lines here. Okay.
Raise it from the bottom.
Wait.
Raise it from down.
Now
Raise
fade.
it from down.
Huh? Oh yeah. We make this one outside here. Fade mesh. Fade material is a material which we don't need this one. Okay. So fade mesh get surface override material. So fade mesh is then fade material is the material on this. So if fade check fade mesh dot
Distance fade.
Distance no.
Maybe get down. Not in the inspector, in the script.
In inspector.
Get a bit down. No. In the script. Yeah. Wait. Face material. Distance fade. Okay, get back up. Fade material is material. Okay. Okay. It have to be like a dot material. I don't know why it's not there.
Dot material.
Just try like to write dot material mesh dot material like without
Dot mesh dot
dot
material. Set and get is
no,
there.
just carry on.
Material dot nope.
Dot distance fade. No,
Nope.
just carry on. Okay,
Distance
carry on.
fade.
On fade.
Distance fade.
The
Mode.
and then and then this one. You want to write this? Okay.
Base material 3D. Distance fade mode object editor. It's like this.
Okay. Copy it and paste it.
But that will only work on standard material 3D. So if fade material is standard material 3D, okay.
Okay, just write fade mesh dot material dot distance fade mode equals and then paste it. Equals and paste.
Like this?
Yeah. Now maybe it's could write. Try it out.
Oh yes. Did it work? It worked? Yeah, it worked. Oh yes. Now we need to bring it back, right? Wait, hold on. Let me debug the wait. Let me turn off the debug so I can see it. So now it's not working, right? If I go into the camera view, it works. Now if I get out, I need to switch back. Now it's fixed. Now I need to switch it back, right? So for that I need to make an array and switch it back. So wait, hold on. Let me.
No.
Wait. So
you see what else you?
What?
You see what else you have to do? You just write else just under the if statement. Under this if statement.
Okay.
Write
else.
And then you just like make it a normal mesh or like fade mesh dot material dot you just copy it. Just copy the same line. And over here.
Wait. Base. Hold on. I have the code. Give me 1 second. Wait. Let me undo this. Give me 1 second. I need it from here. Dot Disable. Wait.
Base.
Disable this one.
Okay, just
Like,
copy it.
yeah.
Just copy it from here and then tick.
So,
And in else,
no,
in else,
wait.
You're in the X. Yeah.
Else.
Yeah. No, make a tab.
Wait. Okay. Disabled. Okay, return.
Yeah.
Now, anything else I need from
Delete.
here? Wait, delete this.
You don't need this, the last one.
Just indent the control K, command it.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's fine.
but now it will say, oh wait, no errors. No, see, it's not going back to normal. Else will not work.
Okay, else if.
Else if, LF, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I think else. Yeah. Exclamation
What
mark and
happened?
then page check. No, just carry on because it didn't write like you see, it didn't write the instruction or the command. You see, just enter
Wait,
right after elif, write page check.
page check.
Yeah, but before page check, write exclamation mark.
LF, not page
Yeah.
check.
Yeah, like this.
Will this work?
Yeah.
Nope.
No.
It won't turn off. For this you need to make an array.
Okay, just write not. It delete the exclamation,
Yeah.
exclamation, and just write not.
Oh, delete the exclamation.
Write not. Just write not. I thought.
Huh?
I told you not. Just write not.
Oh, not like this. Okay.
And not. Yeah. Yeah.
Nope.
Okay, wait. So okay, the elif is working. If you want to find out, you just write a print inside.
Print.
Anything maybe. Yeah, working.
I'll remove this print. Where is it? This one. It's not working, no. So if I come out, nope, nothing.
Okay, if not collider, make if not collider.
If not collider, yeah, that might work. Elif, no need elif, right? If
Okay,
not,
or if same.
Not collider, you want.
You know, it have to work from the first you play the game. It have to work because you're already not colliding. Oh wait.
No.
You remember at the
so
you wrote if not page check in the top.
If,
remember when you wrote if not
if
page
not
check,
page
and then
check.
when we wrote print inside, it worked. Yeah.
Yes, print was working here. Yeah. Print one.
So just copy the code from down and paste it here.
What? Wait, hold on. Print one is working. Print one is working. Yeah. This is working.
So copy the code from down and just paste it.
Where? Here?
Copy the code. And if not collider, just copy the code from here.
If
the face
not
material.
here.
No. You just copy the code inside the if statement.
Oh, copy this code inside the. Copy this. Wait.
No. The code inside the if statement. Just copy it.
This one?
Yeah, copy.
Then?
And delete the if statement completely. Delete the last if statement. Yeah, delete it.
This one.
The last, yeah. And then paste it inside the top one. Yeah. Down. Yeah. Just take the print. You just take the var and make it up because the variable is down.
Wait, these two variables, right?
Yeah.
I'll put it here. I think I'll put this variable also here. What happened here now?
Collider. Collider. The word collider. No, make the var collider the top, the first one.
This one, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Should
Because
work.
yeah. Now start.
Nope.
Get parent.
Something happened. Null instance.
Wait. One instance.
The order is wrong. Collider is this one.
Not the order. Maybe get it down.
Wait, let's undo once. Okay. This is the identifier fade material is not declared in the current scope. So fade material should come. Let's put it inside here. No, wait. There. Wait, what happened? Oh, fade mesh. Okay, wait, hold on. Fade mesh. Hold on.
You just copy the fade mesh, not the fade mesh. Yeah, the fade mesh and paste it at the top, and then the collider, like paste it also at the top.
These
No,
two.
just the fade. You can make just the fade mesh.
No, it needs fade mesh also.
The both. Yeah, the both.
Both if I copy and paste it here, right?
Yes.
No, wait.
Oh, yeah. You're correct. But only the top. Yeah.
Now what happened here?
Delete the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Var.
It's
And then the collider, the var collider. Because you wrote collider at the fade mesh, but you didn't assign it. So just copy the var and make it like up. Because you see at the var fade mesh, you wrote fade mesh equals to collider.get parent, but you didn't assign what is the collider. It doesn't know what's collider.
Got it.
Yeah. So
nope, same
so
thing.
wait. It will write the same. Yeah, but wait, I want to know why it will write. Get parent and base null instance on a null instance.
Okay, if collider equal to null, this has to come up. Okay, this will come here. Okay, now let's restart. Nope. Hit parent in base null instance on null
Okay,
instance.
Control Z.
Control?
Get back.
Control Z.
Get back.
Control Z.
Yeah.
Undo.
More. Yeah, undo.
Yeah.
More. Yeah, just here. Yeah, just here. If not, fade check. In the bottom, right? If not, fade check. No, in if not collider, just write if not fade check.
What? If not,
At the bottom, if statement, not this one.
Oh, this one, no?
Just like that. No. Yeah.
Here, if not
just write the
collider.
same thing.
If not collider.
No, just write if not fade check, not if not collider, if not fade check.
Which we tried it. No, it just didn't work. Like this, no.
Just do. Yeah. Erase the top ones. Wait.
Hold on.
It will not. Erase the top. Erase the collider. The if collider equal null and Erase it.
Erase it. We don't want this.
Yeah.
Completely?
No, not the collider. Not the collider part. Only the collider is. Yeah. And the if not no wait. Why are you in a hurry?
Wait. Okay, wait. If collider equal null, return.
If not fade check.
If not,
no. Also comment not comment it.
Comment it. This one.
Comment it.
We don't need.
Comment. Yeah. Wait.
I tried this before. It doesn't work. You need array. You need array for this. Without array, it will not work, I guess.
Tell me the idea of the array. Just tell me. Don't write it. Just tell me.
So storing the object, the collided object, collider. Okay. Storing the collider inside the array.
Yeah.
Then taking it later on to restore the value. Then resetting the array to 0. I mean nothing. So once you get into that behind that object will go like object dither. Then once you get out, that value which was stored in that array will reset. And if you go to the next object, that will only one object will work in the same in a single time. So right now what happens if I play? Okay,
it will be more complex than this. It will be more complex.
It won't be that complex, but the array is required. Now what is happening here? See, now error is there, null instance.
Because if not, this one.
Huh? I think this should.
See.
Wait.
I think the issue is not in the if statement. I think the issue in the code inside the if statement.
Wait. Okay, see, that null is required.
No, it will not.
This is required. This is required. If collider equal to null, return. This is required. Otherwise, the code is crashing. Because if there is nothing.
Okay, wait a bit.
What? So if I comment this.
Write the same code.
Which one? Where?
Play.
Where?
You comment it and play.
Comment it.
Just comment it.
If I comment it, it says. Wait. What happened now? It doesn't. Wait.
Because return mean like you just. You wrote like you see because you wrote. There's nothing will happen because you just wrote if collider equal null. You just return, and return is just the same as pass. If you wrote return or pass, both are the same.
Wait, hold on.
You see the issue.
Wait, one second. So now what happens if I go behind this? See what happens? Oh, that because that is a node, right? It's not a mesh instance.
You see, because yeah,
that's a node 3D. Okay. The code completely broke. Stop.
You wrote the W before the var before assigning the fed mesh.
Oh yeah. Okay. So if you make an array, so how I've seen many places, many tutorials, kind of. So we'll store that object's data in the array, then take it out later, then reset the array back to nothing. So like this, okay. So you have the distance fade. Now this works, right? Now we'll write a if not fade check function, and we'll make an array. Okay.
You see, it just crashed from the point you added the fade material dot distance underscore fade underscore mode equals to base material 3D dot distance fade disable. It just crashed when you added this.
Wait, what?
If not fade check down. Yeah, this one. No. Yeah, this one. When you add it, it just crashed. Like now, if you comment it, it will continue as normal.
Yeah, this is not working. Otherwise, it should show working.
No. Not the whole. Okay. You just I just told. to comment it.
Okay, so comment this
No. Only the
line,
the
this line.
yeah.
No, it'll work as normal.
Yeah. And you forgot the print. You commented the print also.
I don't.
You
Oh,
didn't. Okay.
that doesn't matter. Wait, it's
No,
not.
just to check if the if it's not working at all. At all. You see the word at all. It's the same. At all. Wait, like if fade check and then it will do. If not fade check, why?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Just right. Okay. Wait. My last try.
Okay, last try.
You just rather than saying if not fade check, right? If recast, like if not recast, like intersect. That what do you what do you call it, or what? If the recast, what is the recast name?
Fadecast.
Fadecast
Dot.
is colliding.
And that is the same thing, right? This one, fade check.
Like just try to write it. Just try
is colliding.
Colliding. Yeah, and before just write not.
If not colliding.
Yeah.
It's the same thing because we made a variable called fade check. Fadecast is colliding.
And comment the okay.
Comment what?
The line.
This one?
Yeah. God damn it.
See? No, it's not coming. There's literally no output. I've tried this before. I tried this before when we are trying it with the visible hide show. Remember, that was our first iteration, hide and show. Once we hide it, it's not showing back again.
Wait.
So I use a similar thing, if colliding and if not colliding.
Wait, open the inspector of the mesh and then open the
inspector of the mesh.
I open the distance fade.
It's disabled in the beginning.
And the mode. Oh, wait. Open the disable. Okay, so object. So distance fade is disabled. No. So you're right.
So in the beginning it's disabled. So our Discord works.
Wait.
Yeah.
So زي يعني wait. زي يعني لمس هتخليها شنو تدخل كده لو هي ما نفسها يعني هتخليها كده.
It's kind of
you wrote at the first. You see, you know, it's just a very, very, very simple. I swear it's very simple. You know what's a
I see. I'm trying to figure it out. I know it might be
at the page.
Okay.
Just if you read it 2 times, you will see the error. Like very, 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 like not hidden. It's very easy to see, very clear. You see at the if fade check, you wrote fade mesh dot material dot distance fade equals to base material blah blah blah. The second one you didn't write fade mesh dot material. You just like you just wrote.
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
So copy the
fade mesh
dot mesh
dot material dot distance. Yeah. It's so stupid.
Yeah, I hope I pray to Allah
this
doesn't
work. It doesn't work. See, this print was not working. If this if statement was working, this print should work, right? This doesn't matter.
Yeah, I know. I get it. I get it. So
Yeah.
in the beginning, if the print just work, so it will be working. If it didn't, then it will not.
Yeah, we need to make
Maybe
if
but
this if statement is
not.
working or not.
You remember the top if not fade check, just copy the print and paste it there. If it work, and then paste the
Where?
fade,
If
the
this
top one,
one,
the
copy
first if statement, yeah,
in this
the
one,
first
no.
if statement, no, the if first,
First, this one. If fade check. If not fade check.
yeah, yeah, and then delete the return. I think
Wait,
return will be the one.
wait.
Delete the word return.
Okay. Remove
Delete
the
the word
word.
return.
Yes. If
Now,
not, now it crashed. Something happened.
okay, wait.
Null
So
instance.
page fake output is colliding. Okay, delete the delete the
Nerd
print
debugging.
in the page,
Hey,
in the
Chloe.
fade check.
What? In fade check?
Delete the print in the fade check.
We need return there. That's why I put return.
Okay, you can just delete the if not this one. It doesn't even matter.
Completely. Yeah.
Yeah.
If not,
So in
so here we
the
can just
bottom one,
change back to fade cast, right? If not
now we can
fade,
just try do
fade
the
check.
same we tried before. Yeah. Now try playing it. It will be the same.
Crashed. Null
Yeah, the
instance.
same. So rather than fade check, maybe try collider. If not collider.
Not collider.
Yeah, now play.
Same thing. See, this error comes with null instance. That's why I put that return twice. We need to
Maybe
undo.
delete the maybe delete.
Wait,
Okay.
hold on. Okay. We need this, otherwise it will crash because null instance it will not detect. It really looks like nerds from college debugging, like moving a print statement. Yep. So, okay. So the reason why this is not working is
You have the word return.
what if we make another raycast? Okay. Oh, no.
Mm.
So we'll end this code here, okay? This code will end it here. That's it. Okay. We'll end this code here. Now this is fading, right? This is fading. Okay. The object either works. I need to add few more things here. I need to set this as well. Hold on. So fade mesh dot mesh distance copy paste distance material dot distance underscore fade underscore min underscore distance equal to 35.0 and this one
35 or 32? 32.
35 and 40 it is. Max will be 40. Need to put these two here. Okay, then we can remove this. Okay, and we'll just put a print just in case. Shows. Yay. Okay.
Or any random thing.
Now, if we go here, it will be 35 and 40 and it prints yay. Okay, perfect. If I go here, it will crash. Okay. Stop. Okay, so it will only work on meshes. It needs mesh.
You see, it's like
because only
you
mesh.
can make it, but
yeah, but only mesh can have a material. So everything I'll have to make into a mesh. That I'll figure it out.
No.
But yeah, first make it work, then we'll polish it. Okay, now we have this one single function called distance fade. Now what we'll do is we'll make another function called distance unfade function unfade. Okay. Then we can unfade check. This is gonna be pain. This one it's in like this. Okay. If not unfade check, then we just take all this. Okay. Put it. Oh, we need variables now. Variables. Should we make? No, wait.
Oh, the same. It doesn't have to be on.
Okay. Then we put it here.
There's
Not declared in the current scope, no? So you need to.
No, wait. Control V.
Control V.
Paste it. You see at the top, the variable are inside the distance fade function. Make it out. Make it.
All of these. Make it outside.
Yeah. All of the bar. Yeah. Make it outside. Not in the process. Not in the range.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Make it outside. Yeah.
But now, if I make it like this,
and delete the inside one.
Yeah. Wait. Hold on. Right. Does it crash?
No.
It crashes. That's a problem.
Try to make it. Wait, my brother. Try to take the var outside, like at the top.
This is top only, right? I mean, this is top only. This is like no indentation.
No, like make it outside, like on top the. Like make it up.
Like make here. Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same error will come. I'm sure same error is going to come. See, because this one, right? Cannot call method is colliding on null value. Because right now, variable fade cast. Should I remove this on ready? Maybe.
No. Leave it.
Cannot call method is colliding on a null value because before the code was.
Get up.
What?
See why? You know why?
Why?
Get up. Wait, get up.
Up.
Get up. You see the bottom one? Oh, wait. No, it's correct.
Teach me, sensei.
Maybe get to the down.
I'm learning.
I'm not a sensei.
There is a sensei.
Get down.
Get down, okay.
You see? Just get down.
Yeah.
No, down.
Down. This is new one.
Wait, it's colliding this one. And yeah, the new one. Just delete the bars.
Delete the bars.
Because you just like double.
Oh yeah. I got it.
No. It will not make a change. It will not make a change.
It will make not
but
make.
You see, just no, it will not because it's not a local. It's not a local.
Wait. Let me think. Wait. These are new variables. This one I don't need. Okay. Unfade. This one.
Just hear me out.
Wait. Hold up.
Yeah, unfade and all of them. They're all. Wait. Like you see, they're all the same. Like unfade is fade cast dot is colliding, and also you can see fade check is fade
also the same. Yeah. William Berg's Bounty, this screen makes my head hurt. The coding. Welcome, William. All right, and so this is the same thing. I don't need that anymore, right?
Yeah, the same thing.
So same fade check. It's the same as fade check. So
yeah.
Now if I put this to 0 and 0, let me see, just testing. Okay, just 0 and 0.
But wait, where's the error? Like, where's the line of the error, or what exactly?
Wait, let me play again and see.
Says,
the error is here. Error is here. Because it's saying it's a null value.
Wait,
Fadecast is colliding null value. Cannot call method is colliding on a null value, basically.
Wait.
Why is it a null value? That's what I'm not understanding. Wait, hold on.
I just want to blow my mind.
What if I uncomment this? Give me 1 second. Nope, still not working.
The same. You have to do
Let's undo. Let's put everything back to where it was. Okay, let's remove that. Okay, we have our working fade when we go behind. We have. Oh wait, what happened?
Wow, it's working very much.
Something broke.
Don't pay attention.
Something broke again.
You see, the only thing.
Wait.
Just through the. You see, in fade check. Wait. You wait. I'm not. I'm sensei. You forgot.
Yes.
If fade check and the if statement in fade check, you I don't have any compliments for you.
What do you mean? Wait.
I was trying to find.
Oh yeah, it's working. It's working.
Yeah, I just told you. I was trying to find an issue in the fade mesh so I can tell you, but I didn't find any issue. That's why I told you I don't have any compliment.
Yes. Yes, now it's working. So you go here. It does bloop. My compliment to you. You are hot. Of course. Thank you, Chloe.
But there's only one thing to keep in mind. Like get to the main scene.
Main scene, okay.
The main scene.
Main scene.
Yeah. And then stretch it like in the x-axis.
I'm getting a call.
Stretch more.
More.
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
And now if you see, just play it and get behind it.
So you want to see how much again, if it's gonna collide or not, you want to see.
Like I meant you can't see the player. See, because it's long.
Yeah.
You see?
Oh yes. It is very, but I just have to make sure that my game doesn't have long things.
So the only thing you don't have to put in games, don't make a long wall.
Yeah. I'll make shorter walls, right? So it's only appearing halfway. Game with no long things. So it's only appearing halfway. So if we change the values in the code, maybe, or what if we change back our camera to wait, this one, no, back to 0. Now it will be static, right?
Bro, just make it 1%.
What?
Just make it 1%.
Oh no, wait. It kind of works differently now. It goes from, it shows you a little bit, then hides, then gone.
It shows in the middle. It shows at the middle.
In the front also, it is happening. So
I got an like wait. The game you're trying to do is same as which game?
Not which game. It's like most of the game has this, right?
Like,
don't people like it longer? What, walls?
No, at the start of the live when a gamer 002 told you what's your game ID and you told them You told him. What was it?
Game ID? Idea.
You said Rise of Kingdom, or you said what?
Oh, yeah. I said the idea, right? I didn't say the
The idea was what?
idea was like, see,
It was, you said a game.
the
No,
game,
wait.
yeah.
Just tell me the game name.
Game?
The name of the game you said.
No, I didn't say
Remember
any
when
game
you told
name.
him a game? The game again. When he told you about when he asked you about the
Oh,
idea of this
yeah.
game, and you told
Path
him
of Exile.
this
Path
is
of
inspired
Exile.
on
Path of Exile.
huh?
Path of Exile.
Part of it. Hmm?
Path of
Okay,
Exile.
just one thing. Okay. I got this is not an idea. This is just I think
What
I
you
want to tell
doing?
it to you.
Hi, Chaitra. What?
Just one thing I want to say.
Okay.
You can just make the camera static, so like it will not it will not move, so it
Okay.
will just stay at place.
No. I don't want a static game. This is not supposed to be a static game.
Like, you see, because most like not most like you see when players can move the camera by their mouse, it will be more easier for them because some players might not love the
It's
third
like
person, or
it's like
maybe most of
it's like a roguelite. It's like a ARPG style, which I'm making.
huh?
ARPG
You think?
style, roguelike style. What you
Yeah,
doing?
you said
I'm
roguelike like
continuing on my game developments, Chaitra. RPG Paglu. ARPG. Hmm. You don't know ARPG, Chaitra? Yeah. So wait. So the thing is, the distance things work, right? Now all we need to do is I know how to fix this. Trust me. I know how to fix this. But today I don't have time. It's
then you
already
can
10:15.
then
I
you can
it is array. And trust me, it is the array method.
wait.
Hmm.
Then if you know why am I in the call, like what's my purpose?
Because till
No,
now
for real, think about it.
you
Think about it.
see the
I'm
thing
over
is
here
I
saying,
have the
then you have
idea.
the idea.
I have the idea. You have the code.
Okay.
See, the thing
So
is,
I'm the
all the
right hand and you're
tutorials.
the left hand.
Yes.
Yeah.
All the tutorials I watched, right, for this purpose, everything involves array, storing it in an array and taking it out later. So we'll have to figure that out. I'll send you a video. On Discord. Okay. Then check that out. But right now we've found out the code to switch object dither if it's colliding, which is good. But we need to get that back to normal. So this is good. This is a really good effect which I really like. So it's showing your character behind. What?
I meant like just erase the yay print because it's really just make me mad. I don't know why.
Yeah, just erase that. There you go.
Yeah,
Okay.
I finally
Men went from playing to creating. Yep.
I finally can live in peace.
Yes, you can sleep in peace. I can also sleep in peace. We'll figure the next part out.
Now if you just close the stream,
Uh-huh.
at least you got a point. At least you got a point at your stream.
Yes.
Like at least you didn't just try it and failed. You tried it 1%.
Yep.
You can call it
Exactly.
50%, 50%.
All right. I guess
The debugger. The debugger.
Debugger.
How much errors? Down.
All right. I guess that's
Look
it
how
for
much
today.
warning.
Yep. That's it for today. I need to go eat and sleep. I have work tomorrow.
How much warning I did?
What?
At the debugger. At the debugger. Look how much warning are there.
Warning.
No, down.
Oh
the
yeah,
down
yeah.
one.
Holy shit. Debug session closed. Errors.
Error
Oh,
section.
yeah, errors. Distance fade.
Because the min and the max. I think so. You see, when you added
Yeah,
the
minimum and the maximum, no?
erase and apply, maybe erase and apply.
Erase that line.
Maybe erase and apply. Yeah, the both lines. Yeah, play it.
Now only 2. Wait, we need to go
Yeah,
back.
get behind the wall.
Now only 2.
Now it's better. Now it's better. Yeah. Now you can see the player well.
But see, the thing is, multiple different height objects will have multiple different viewing dithers.
The height will not change. The height will not change.
The
But
width.
the width it will change.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let it be. We'll figure it out tomorrow.
So bye.
Okay, so see ya, man. You're gonna exit the call now.
Will you answer? Will you send the video?
Yeah, I'll send the
Or will
video.
you just post
Tomorrow. Today I don't have time.
tomorrow?
Yeah, it's late already.
Peace be upon you.
Yeah.
Peace
Peace be upon you too.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. You close.
Okay, guys. So I guess that's it for today. And it was a fun stream. We figured out few things at least. Fun things. All right. So let me just find someone to raid out to. Harambo is streaming. Yes, we'll raid out to Harambo. Wait. All right, we're raiding out to Harambo. Slash raid at Harambo. Does it work? Invalid username. Like this? Yep, there we go. Oh, wait, is that the same Harambo? No, cancel. That is not his spelling. Yes, 4s instead of A's. Okay, slash. I was like gonna write some random dude. There you go, raid Harambo. Okay, that's the dude. He doesn't want to go. Yeah, he doesn't. All right, so on Twitch we are raiding Harambo, and I'm ending the stream on YouTube. So guys, if you guys have not followed me on YouTube, check out my description on Twitch. Hey Harambo, hey yo, what's up? Raiding you. I read it out. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean you read it out? You finished? You ended your stream? Really? Oh yeah, you ended your stream. Come on, dude. Who should we raid then? Let's raid our development friend. Okay, we're raiding our Twitch dev friends. Wait, hold on. Just copy. Now he's making a Goo game. All right, so let's just. Oh shit! What the fuck? Okay, wait, hold on. There we go. All right, how many viewers do we have? 3. All right, let's go. 2, 3. Let's go. All right, guys. See ya tomorrow. Bye bye. I'm gonna end stream on YouTube. Yeah.